the bands, got my guap up. All the bad hoes wanna top us. Too many wild parties on the yacht. Me and Bo got kicked out the yacht.
Ay, air it out. Pull up at your spot and I air it out. Gang on the gas and it's very loud. Stop saying my name before you wear it out.
I've been sipping lean, tryna slow me down. I need me a bitch that'll hold me down. Gang coming strong, yeah, we rolling out. Throw a party like Rolling Loud.
What up, chat?
Don't come unless you send focus soldiers like tenfold. Sent your bitch the info. Feeling real blessed with juice, that's my kinfolk.
Bless up, she tell me I'm a god, get on her knees for confession.
Sent the vid to a nigga, had to teach a lesson.
Me and Bo only want bad hoes in our section.
Juice, why these pussy ass niggas always pressing?
I don't know, let them talk, I'ma go get my Smith & Wesson.
Blessed boys under 21, steady flexing. I'm getting too rich, can't do flights with connections.
What up,
40
chat?
on my hip, I won't
What's
fight,
going on?
bitch, I'm reckless.
Turn
Coating
me
without
up.
silk, that shit coming straight from Texas.
Reach for my chain, you'll get beat just like Nexus.
Lamborghini dreams, but you still drive a Lexus.
I'm a young king, I might fuck Alexis, Texas.
But I ain't on no Drake shit, I won't get her pregnant.
Damn young Juice world, boy, you reckless. And I feel you until I get her naked. When I get up in it, I might have to stay in.
Well, if she going like that, let's run a train then.
I think I nutted in her, I might need a playpen. And
What
a
up, what up, what
stroller. How I get this deep, we rode her like a rover.
No games, but I Xbox controller. She do the gang like a nerd doing homework. 40 in my pants, that bitch thought it was a boner. If I go broke, I'ma jug off Motorola. But now I'm up in France, Lil' that's my mans. We get the green and then we fly around like Peter Pan.
That's cool, but I just thought about some way.
What?
This baby got your face, so fuck that little baby boys. Back to the place, back to the trap, back to the gang.
Running up bands, got my guap up. All the bad hoes wanna top us. Too many wild parties on the yacht. Me and Bo got kicked out the yacht.
Damn. What up, chat? What am I doing? Alright, so I need that, put that there, this there. Is it good? I've transitioned. What up, guys? How you guys doing today on a happy Friday? Happy Friday. You guys ready for the giveaway today? Foreign pants. I ain't know what to do. I got so much to do today. I ain't know what to do on stream today. I'm just here chilling. I'm just looking at the screen like, wow, I'm streaming right now. Okay, trades. I gotta delete this. See, someone tried to play with me yesterday, saying I couldn't play music. I can play music. I just don't get paid for it. That's it. Happy Friday, guys. Last day of the week. Let's get started on the charts here. Before I start off though, there's a giveaway today at I don't know what time yet, but it's gonna be today on the stream. So what we're gonna do is man, some of you guys, I'm not trying to expose anyone, but
Yo, expose him. That kid right there.
4 minutes ago.
Yo,
This guy
like 80 comments.
No, bro. Like, okay, if I were to count all his comments, Jesus, dude, I understand, but you know, I'm only gonna count you as one person, right? Hold on. There's so many of him. Holy shit. This guy left like 20, like probably 100, like 100 plus messages. This guy too. You guys gotta relax, man. Jeez, look at this. Oh man. All right, let's get started in the charts. Yeah, there's gonna be a giveaway today for headsets. If you guys haven't entered yet, go ahead and enter that giveaway. You have until I want to say 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. I'm cutting it. Deadline's at 7. All right, so let's take a look at some GJ and gold here. So let's take a look at GJ real quick first, because I think GJ came down over the day of lows. Oh, did it? Oh no, not yet. Okay, cool. So I was like technically bullish today for GJ. I was bullish as long as we respected this low today though, because we actually closed bullish above the range, breaking above resistance. So I do believe today we're gonna continue up as long as we respect the lows. But it looks like price is coming down to break those lows now. So let's see what happens. Obviously there's no buys or anything right now. Every time frame is bearish at the moment, or at least a small time frame is bearish. But let's see, we're coming close to break the low. Starting to reject it though. 4 hours, I mean, it's at support. We'll close out support. There could be a chance that we could respect support. Who knows? There could be a chance because the 1 hour day closed bullish, 30 minutes closing bullish. It's like, I want to say, if I'm looking for sells today, I would probably want sells as you break below, I want to say here. My nose is itchy, man. Anja scared me yesterday. Man,
How's your nose, bro?
it's
Right.
fine. And you know why? It's I scratch my left nose a lot. Yo, you had me scared as shit yesterday. But yeah, I think for sells we probably have to break below the support there. This is a pretty decent support, pretty hefty support. I think a closure below there would be ideal for us to continue further down. We are creating a range though, so for buys to work out, I'm looking at potentially above here. It's either we break above there to continue up. Yeah, probably above there. Above there would be pretty clean for us. Yeah, probably a closure though. A 1 hour closure. This 1 hour closure. If this 1 hour kind of closes bullish here, and we break above that range within the next current hour candle on a 15-30 minute time frame, that'd be perfect for us to continue up towards the next level of resistance, which is going to be somewhere up here. I think the range to go up here is around 24 range. Is not bad at all, but be very patient today, because this is a range that we're in right now. I think London moved. Oh, sorry, London didn't move. London came down. I think came down what, 6 pips during London. So I mean, we didn't break the day of lows yet. Until we actually break the day of lows, my bias still remains bullish. So yeah, gold on the other hand is looking like it is bearish for a day as well. Looks like price wants to drive down here today to fill this wick here. We did close below the most recent support, which is right here, but we are still in a range here. So I want to see what kind of happens with this pair today. I think the 4 hour is also bearish. Yeah, I think it's kind of bearish here. I'm looking for sells. I think I said I was looking for sells below here, below 1761.208. Anything above there would be a range or either buys. All right, so a closure below there coming down towards this next support would be preferred. This is a nasty range, guys. If you look at it, I mean, it's a tradable range. This range is like a decent 330 pip range, so it's definitely a tradable range. You catch 10 pips. So it has nothing to do for our analysis for like our 10 pip trader or anything like that, right? We might actually be able to get some sells for before that target. So maybe below here, below there coming down. That's a decent 4 to 5 pip range. It's not bad at all. But yeah, or something like that would be ideal. Yeah, below there. And then for buys, I'm not really bullish for a day, so I probably won't be looking for buys. If I'm looking for sells, it's gonna be below 1766 or 1765. Oh shoot, no, that's the wrong giveaway, Nightbot. This guy Nightbot really put the other one. Okay, let me change that. What am I doing? Nightbot. It's this one. Nightbot's being a muppet today, man. Copy. Login. Commands, custom. I want to give you guys access the mods to my Nightbot thing. I don't know how to do this though. I gotta watch a video on it. You guys can go in there, change all the stuff. Where is it? Giveaway. Enter the Astro A40 giveaway. 850, sorry. 850. Alright, there you go. Try it now, Nightbot. It should work now. You know I can play today, guys. So yesterday, all my music was fine. The reason why the video got taken down for like an hour or so was because I played that one Juice WRLD song. The Drake stuff was a good. Everything else is good though. So now I know what I can play. It's a Friday. We vibing off. Do some Post Malone today. I gotta be on my pre-market field today though, for sure. But later. Do you have news today? We have no news today. 8:30 GDP, monthly, CAD, USD. Nothing too crazy. Next week looks like it's gonna be a chill week. Let's see. A bunch of interest rates next week. AUD interest rates. You have GBP interest rates, huge. 2 Thursdays gonna be volatile, guys. And USD on Friday. Not bad. NFP Friday. This is NFP, right? Yeah, it's NFP. So, not bad. Should be an eventful next week. Let's just get through today first, though, because today is gonna be hit or miss today. Let's see what happens. Markets might be volatile. Markets might just range for the rest of the session. But we need a breakout. That's what we need. They're hungry for Astros. Yeah, I mean, it's okay to be hungry for Astros. It's just gotta follow the rules. Guys, do exclamation point giveaway in the little thingy in the chat. It's gonna pop up what giveaway it is. I said so. Oof. Didn't want to catch any trades last night. Where are the charts at? Today's gonna be chart day. Alright, so today you can spam. I mean, I want to see everyone's charts today. I want to see it every day, but today's a special day. Send your charts for different pairs. There it is. Enter the Astro giveaway. In the case of this website, Instagram. Wow, Astro A40 giveaways, free headset giveaway with Prime Form Fitness.
Oh, it's Astro A50s.
Ain't that amazing, guys? Free headset giveaway. Astro A50s. Amazing. I need some water. Would you be live streaming the news or stick to Slack? What? What news? The news is gonna be NFP. It's gonna be 8:30 a.m., which is probably on stream, right? FOMC was at 2 p.m. so like that's not my time to trade. So that's why we just streamed it. I mean, we just did it for Slack exclusive members only. Yes, I was working with Andre yesterday and I found out his favorite song. This guy loves Cardi B. And it's up, and it's up, and it's up.
Yo, did you get what I tagged you in yesterday of that dude working out and falling over?
Nah. Let's watch it. Where is it?
We'll go on your Instagram.
Which one?
You in it.
My main one or?
Yeah, your Controller FX page. This is Don yesterday during the workout. Oh my God, Patrick just.
Where is it? Like how many hours ago? Like 12?
Let's see if I can
Tag me again. Tag me again.
I don't know if I can now. I don't know if I'm able to find it.
Just send it to me. Yeah, I heard you check this Instagram page. Unless it's like that stuff. Yeah, send it to my main account.
My God.
I got no clue why my 30-minute chart looks different to yours. It's probably because you have a different broker, man. You have a different broker on TradingView. You're probably using FXCM or something. So randomly look at my results last April. One of my first profitable months, plus 7%. I've been really leveled up with you guys. Currently 29% for the month. Can we get big dubs in the chat from Martin for the 29% for the month? Turn me up. Big dubs in the chat for Martin, man. That's great, man. That's actually really good. 29% is a huge month. Huge. Yeah, April has been pretty clean though. It's been pretty solid. Like it's been you know, it's like you can tell when it's like quarter 2 of the year, when quarter 2 kicks in. This is April. So May and April, probably my best months, my favorite months to trade. Let's see how things go next month. Today's the last day, right? So did you find it, Andre?
No, I'm trying to find it on YouTube right now, but I can't. It's basically this dude trying to lift the weight over his head and just fell mad hard.
That wasn't me.
This boy Don yesterday was lit during the workout.
What you mean?
You were just on one.
What you mean? I was
There's no way I can see like what I've tagged you in, right, on Instagram. Like once I tag you, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
You can't search for it in your notifications.
I'll find it. Hold on. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Music too loud, music too slow. It's good. It's perfect. Thanks. Good stuff. There you go. No, we had that one choppy week this month. I think this is the only choppy week throughout the whole month. It wasn't that bad though. Like, it wasn't we did good with it though this week. Even if it was choppy, not the cleanest, we did like pretty well with it. We technically, our streak is still going for April, right? Okay, so Andre, you tagged me at post. Which one? Man, you know why I can't see it? Because this Patrick guy tagged me 1,000 times in his post.
Patrick, it's all your fault, bro. God.
I can't find it no more, man. Jeez. Instagram gotta make a way so you can see all your notifications.
Or like if you could like search for like who tagged you when, that'd be nice.
Well, Instagram, yes, hear that. Yes, hear the first year. So I want my percentages when this thing happens. Chabella. Oh, speaking of Chabella, I got a thing for you guys. I finished the thing. Well, not finished it. I have it up. Document. The Google Sheets. So for commands. So for all the new people that come every day, they're confused in what we're trying to say and talk about. Here we go. And then left in the dust. How did I even share this though? Okay, share. Yeah, how do I make a Google Doc private and then just editors can change permissions and share? Make Google Doc. Not edible. Google Sheets not edible. Click data. Add there. Okay. Data. Click add a sheet, arrange. Only you. Okay. Set, and then click set permissions or change permissions. Got that? Just what's adding. Save done. Okay, cool. Perfect. So I'm gonna share this link with you guys, and here you guys can have all the commands and stuff. Only fish I want to share. It's me my address. Publish. How did I do this? Oh, there it is. Publish to the web. Okay. Publish. There you go. Cool. All right, here we go. Nightbot. I'm gonna do exclamation point commands for this, and then here are the list of commands. There you go. Try it. Everyone do not everyone, or one person do exclamation point command and it will pop up. Someone sent a chart. I missed it earlier. Who sent that? Chabella? Was it you? It was you, right? Gotcha. Clean traffic. Oh, that's a steep TP. I'll be a bit worried about the support looking left there, the support right here, and then this support right here, and then obviously this support right here. I'll be worried about those levels coming down, so I'll probably be taking partials as we tap those levels, right? Those are minor levels, so where we can reject off of potentially, and yeah. Hey bro, check this out. I got you. Pierre. Hey Pierre, you wanna come out here? Potential sells below, clean range, bearish candle or bearish daily. Looking for sells. You see, I'm in the same boat as you. If the daily breaks the lows, we're technically still bullish. Technically, this kind of still flipped today, right? So if you come down and break below 151.292 downside, I'll probably be looking for sells below, coming down towards like 151.040 where you kind of have it. Good target. But yeah, it makes sense. I'll say wait for a closure, because if you get a closure below this range here, what's gonna happen is we're also going to be breaking the daily lows. Since the daily lows like right here or something, so we come down to break that, then say ciao bella for price to drive down. All right. More in chat and usually ask for a turn me up.
Turn me up.
But we on to chill this morning. There's just turn me up. Shifty, my boy, what up? You never played. You never hopped on last night. Good morning, traders. Took a 12-pip win on Nas 100. Nice. Hey guys, can you guys try it? Here, I'll do it. I was trying it. Commands. Let's see if Nightbot reacts to that. Okay. So far, not good. There it is. Okay, let's see. Yes, sir. You guys like that? I'm gonna add more to it. Check it out. Click on that link. It's pretty cool. So you have the star replay. It's an entry tie, wick fill, candle. Like I'm at a lot more things, but this is what I have for now. Pretty cool. Check above with another chart. Is this the same chart? This is the same chart, isn't it? It's in chat. Okay. What's good, G? What's going on, man? Hey, bro, check us out. I got you. Is this the same one too? This is probably the same one, isn't it? This is the same one. Do you like Kid Cudi? Yes. I can't play him though. I know for a fact I can't play his music. Actually, maybe. But I don't want to. I know I can play Post Malone, so I'm just going to leave it as Post Malone. He's the most vibey of all. So. So Don, would you have watched those sales during London if it was you during London because you were still bullish for a day? No. Because we had a range 2 breakout during London. The reason why I'm waiting for a close below here now is because we're like right next to the day support or day low. So you might as well wait for a break of that low. But during London, you had a range 1. I think it was up here. I think, and then range 2 right here. So below here would have been your sells. Below this range, that's your sells coming down. Technically, you can still look for sells right now. But since we're next to day lows, you might as well wait for that to break. Based on Drake, I can't. I can play some songs, but not all. I gotta make a playlist for the songs I could play and the songs I can't play. It's so weird. Like I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works. Hey bro, when lower high breaks in downtrend, what zone you mark always previous lower high or previous low low? When a lower high breaks, what do you mean? So like, see, I don't look at lower highs though. I don't mark my zones off of lower highs. I mark off of actual resistance. So for instance, if I were to have a support drawn right here, I'm having it drawn right here because I know that we have struggled here before, and you need a closure below the support here in order for us to continue further down towards the next level support. Right? If you look left there, no candles have closed below. No candles yet. So a closure below would indicate that we could be pushing down towards the next level support, which is going to be down here. Looking left, that's clean traffic driving back into the range. I'm going to hold until next week, Don, then get to you, but if the trade makes no sense, I'm close. I got you. Ooh, gold's pushing up. GG closed bearish too. 1 hour WAP play. What do you think Andre's about today, man? What are you looking for?
I just sent you a little chart.
It's stuck in my throat. Yeah, I got you. XAU USD 30 minutes. Okay. Range, okay. Range 3 cleanest range of sells. Range 2 looking for sells with closure below its range. Range 1 looking for sells with a nice bearish closure. Have resistance 1722.13. Range 4 not taking bias there. I agree. This is gold, right? Yeah. Gold's bullish. Here, bearish. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Questions for Don. Fuck, man. Damn. Yeah, ever since it's you, Andre, I swear. Ever since yesterday when you told me, I've been tripping. Are you ever more passionate with it being the last day of the month, or does it not matter? Just do the same thing every day. Doesn't matter if it's a Monday, Friday, last week. This is a good question. I feel like you know the answer to it. You're just asking it just so the audience can get the answer, right?
Yeah, I'm just asking for other people.
So guys, this whole thing about it's a Monday, don't trade today, it's a Friday, don't trade today, it's, you know, it's the first day of the week, first day of the month, it's me personally, off of my own experience, every day is the same thing. It's the exact same thing every day, because if we were to range on a specific day, you know that's going to range that day because you see the range. Whereas if you get a breakout and it's a Monday, it's just a regular day. This is a normal day. So whenever you put like you know, not boundaries, but whenever you say, oh yeah, it's a Monday, no trade today, banks will manipulate you. Friday, banks will manipulate you. Fridays and Mondays are my best days. But that's just because I look for the same thing every day. But when I see a range on a Monday to Friday, then I'm staying of that range on a Monday to Friday. Like, it has nothing to do with the days, the weeks, you know, the months, whatever it is. Like I think it was last month, end of last month, same thing happened. Someone actually got mad at us because we took a trade the last day. Remember that? Remember? They're like, oh, you just turn off your charts. Don't look at the charts today. It's the last day of the month, and it's like, when it's an algo day, it's an algo day. When it's a range day, it's a range day. The markets will move. Markets won't move, but we're there to see it. People blame the days because they're like, it's the whole. I think the whole concept behind that is because people lose a lot of money on a Monday or Friday, because Monday is when they tend to, you know, it's the first day of the week. People tend to just go full send, and at the end of the week on a Friday, what they do is that if they're on a losing week, or you know, whatever it is, they'll try to make the losses back or try to chase the wins or make more on a Friday. So I think that's how the whole concept came together. But honestly, if you know, like, we're able to, like, there shouldn't be any guessing in FX. It's like, okay, this is what we're gonna get. If we see it, we do it. If we don't, then we don't look for any positions. But you don't want to be guessing. You don't want to be predicting things, you know. Makes no sense. What do you say? Closer. I appreciate those mean words, man. The Friday, just you know, just calm down. Get some sun. You know, for whoever comes in here now and trolls us, I'm just gonna say, just get some sun.
Get some sun.
Get some sun. Yeah, like, okay, if you come to the charts today, guys, and you guys see this, what would you expect today to be? This is what you see. A range. But a range can be any day. How many times have you guys seen a range on a Wednesday, on a Tuesday? So what's the difference between a Monday and a Friday? Same concept. It can be a range any day. It can be a volatile day any day. But you're able to see it, right? The difference between seeing it and thinking about it. Thinking about it is, you know, never good long term, because emotions can take over, and emotions will change your bias or your thoughts any given day, and any given second. That was good. Outro there. You always use the same lot size regardless of the stop loss in GJ. So my lot sizes, I'll explain to you guys today because I haven't done it in a while. Q4 last year lowered my account and my lot size for Q4, right? So last year my max lot that I popped last year was at 8 for the whole year, and then I dropped it down because Q4 came in. I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna lower my account, whatever. So I built my way back up for quarter one or Q4 again. After by the start of 2021, I went back to my normal lot size plus more. So far for the year, I'm at a 10, and what I'm thinking is I'm probably gonna be sticking to a 10 for the whole entire year. So at the start of the year, that 10 was once 1%, 2% risk. Now that's more of like, you know, 0.5% risk, like 1%, like around that range, depending on the stop loss, obviously. But it's roughly a 10 pip stop loss. 10 lot is like not even percentage for me. So that's what I'm probably gonna do this year. I'm probably gonna stick with the same 10 lot for the whole year, and then next year or Q4, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna drop it down, and then starting 2022, I'm gonna increase it to like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for the whole year. So I'm taking my time with it. There's no rush, and I don't think there should be any rush. I'm comfortable with the 10 line right now, and yeah. So that's why I don't really go off percentages. Like, I don't really increase my lot size with my account, you know, getting bigger as the day goes on and as the year goes on. Why do you keep your lot? Because that's just what I'm. There's just no rush to it, you know. Like, I can be popping a 10 for the next 30 years. I mean, I'm probably not, but Like, you know, there's just no rush to it. That's what I'm trying to say. And a lot of people, like, they just feel, people are more worried about increasing the lot sizes than actually, you know, getting better at their actual, looking for better subs and entries. And looking for that better sample size in their trades. People are more focused on lot size. It's because they're always trying to rush the process or something. Yeah, and to Marcos, you're right though. Yeah, it's the last day of the month. It's a Friday, and GJ has moved 80 pips already. Right, so like you see when it's volatile, you see when it's not volatile. And say it's definitely decently volatile today. Right, well, earlier it was. Let's see how it is right now. When would you know you're ready to up the lot size? I'm technically ready. Like, I can pop a bigger lot size if I want to. Like, I can pop a 20 lot size and my account will be like 2-3% risk, which is fine. But I'm not, because I'm not comfortable with that lot yet. You know what I mean? Like, I can pop a 50 lot if I want to. Like, my account can handle a 50 lot. Am I gonna? Probably not, right? So there's a difference between being comfortable and mentally, emotionally thinking that you're comfortable. And that's really hard to figure out. It's a difference between the two. Because people will just say, oh, I'm ready to increase my lot size, and then they do it, and then they get so emotional over it, and then they ends up messing it up long term. So it's like, it's up to you to kind of decide when you kind of want to up your lot size. But first, just make sure your account's good with it. And second of all, whenever you're comfortable and ready, I'll say try, if you're increasing lot sizes, try it out for a week. And if you can't handle it, then go back to your old lot size. But you don't want to be in a position where you're just, you know, forcing yourself to increase your lot size because you're trying to get to a different part in your life, or you're trying to get, you know, change your life up with like one trade. You know, there's a difference between that. What's your bias for GJ? I broke it down at the start of the stream, but I'm looking for sells if you break 151.364. I'm looking for buys above 151.550. So above here buys, and sells would be below here. Because if you get buys here and we respect the support, we're respecting the daily lows, which means the daily count would then be flipping bullish as it breaks back into this range, because it'll push up, and this would just be a wick on the daily time frame. This whole thing right here. But we must respect that daily low, which is down here at 151.290-ish. Damn, this guy Michael always looks cozy. Every day looking cozy. Yo, someone said if you could send your charts. Andre.
Brody, I just sent my chart like 10 minutes ago.
But that's not your normal chart, you said.
Yeah, my normal chart looks just like that without the text, because I don't know, I don't want to sound cocky, but I'm experienced that I don't have to write that out on my chart. I just have that in my head. But I have my support, my resistance drawn out, and then I have my plan of what's about to happen. Like, I'm taking sells at resistance in range 1. I'm looking for a closure in range 2. Range 3 is probably the most, you know, clean range for me, and I'm not taking buys. And I just have that in my head the entire time I'm on the session.
Yep. Nah, that's fine. Elliot, you got a chart? Is this not working? Not working. Yeah, resend a chart, Elliot. Eliante. What's the giveaway? Exclamation point giveaway in the chat. It'll pop up. GG to 153, I think. For us to really get there, again, we must break above 151.556. If that breaks, that'll take us up towards 151.800, and then that needs to break for us to go further up. The daily is bullish though. but we're in a sticky situation right now because we're into the last session of the day and we barely move any. We haven't moved bullish up yet. Again, we need this kind of reflip here before the day ends for us to actually continue up, because look left, that's clean traffic because we closed above the range here. This is now clean traffic. Yeah, 153. Yeah, it could get tapped. That was my target for a day, but right now doesn't look like it's gonna work out unless we start making a push now and it becomes being an auger day today. John, was me to ask you, how can I tell what spread my broker offers because my gaps is a bit big where stop loss is an entry price? So if you go on your MT415 terminal and then you go to like the quotes, under quotes it should show your spreads. If it says like 29, that means you have a 2.9 spread because those spreads are in points. What up, the fact? You're on your, I didn't even know you're on a Zoom. What up, bro? Your mic's muted though.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, man? How you been?
Chilling, man. I got in a little late today, but it's all good.
So that's you in the chat. That's you like from the chat usually? Like in chat? Yeah. That's cool. From the chat to the other side, now on the stream.
Yeah.
Does this work? I got you. Where's my chart? Why isn't it working? Let me try again. Might just be me. Yeah, it doesn't work. It's just there's no link to it. We've been looking for buys like this yesterday to avoid fakeouts. No, because the buy today is bullish, right? Yesterday the buy was bullish. Price went down. I didn't get sells. I got buys only. Today is different though. I am bullish. So I can look for buys like pretty much anywhere above a range. But for me to get sells today, we already broke range 1, range 2, and then also on top of that, we're about to break the daily lows. So if we break the daily lows, high chance we're gonna come down towards the next support, which will be my sells. I'll be looking at take. That's pretty dope. Hey, in fact, how long have you been trading for?
I've been trading for about 3 years.
Damn, 3 years?
Yeah, but the wrong way for 3 years though. It's like
McLaren?
Yeah, McLaren.
Not in the wrong way, but it didn't work out for you, right?
Yeah, it didn't work out.
Yeah. Damn.
So I spent over like $5,000 in courses.
Shit.
Yeah.
So like, how long have you been using this strategy or just dollar trading for?
For like a month.
A month?
And yeah, and I'm up like 8%, which is good for me because all my other months would be like break even or negative.
Yeah. It's 8% this month, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty good. This is your first like profitable month?
Yeah, to be honest, yeah.
Damn.
That's
crazy.
I know. That's why I'm on every day. I'm like, bro, I can't miss it. Like,
and you catch moves by yourselves too, right? Like, you know, like you see my trades and you catch whatever you gotta catch.
Yeah, especially because sometimes you get off a little early and then I'm like, no. So then I just fucking pull the trigger myself.
I feel that. Yeah. That's good. That's actually pretty insane though. 5,000 on courses. I only have spent a dime on courses. I got a lot of stuff just off a friend or something for free. somewhere. But like, how many of those courses were all McLarens?
Probably like all of them. There's an I don't want to plug anyone else, but
No free
there's,
promo.
Yeah. But pretty much all of them though. There's a couple good guys, but it's pretty much all of them. How does my mic sound? Is this shit trash or
No,
what?
man, that thing is crispy.
Sounds good, bro.
That sounds like my mic.
Back, what's popping? Good to see you on the Zoom, man.
Andre, what's up, man? Captain America right there.
Yo, that's actually insane. Hold on.
Captain America.
That's it. Yo, low key. Yo, if you were wearing a suit, man, yeah, you would look like Captain America.
That's
Damn. Someone got pre-London buys. Pre-London buys. There you go. That chart works. So, who sent the chart? Elliot, send it again. That chart just didn't work for some reason. What is this? London buys. 1770. That was oh, nice. It played out. Was that 30-minute time frame? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Played out, right? 30-minute. When was this? This is 1 hour time frame. You're gonna buy right there at the bearish closure. Nice. Yeah, played out. That's a 100 pip move, runner. Props to dude who failed for 3 years and continue to try and learn. Yeah, that's I'm happy though, because usually a lot of traders give up, you know, and it's like all that time just wasted, and like they made it so far, they learned so much already. So it's pretty good that you stuck around, and I mean, shit, you've been killing it this month.
You don't know how long I gave up, like 3 times, but like the longer you go, the more it feels stupid to give up because you already gave up so much. So it's like, bro, I'm already 5K deep. Like I'm 2.5 years deep. I might as well just keep going. If I don't get profitable until I'm like 50,
I love it.
It just is what it is.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
That's a good mindset. You're right though. Like,
yeah.
Like how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 28.
Yeah, you're like Andre's. Why is everyone 28 here? Yo, Michael, how old are you? Michael Bibbs.
22.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're young. Okay, you're my age. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, everything takes time.
Hell yeah.
Missed that. I'm trying to catch up with messages. Do you think this McLaren thing will sustain in the long term, or is just for marketing purposes only? You see, the thing is, yes, it could be long term. It could be a strategy that works for you. For me, it never worked. And when I call McLaren, I don't mean to just diss the strategy, or I don't mean anything at all, any harm. I just call McLaren because 85% of those people who sold those courses trade the same and have the same things, and people fall for it. Well, yeah, in a way, right? So it's flashy. So that's why I say McLaren, but like I don't mean like it's a shit thing or anything. It's just the term we made for it. I should actually put that into the command thing. But yeah, I mean, you can see it as whatever you want to see that. You can see it as marketing. You see it as whatever. But at the end of the day, right, whatever works for you. Like I used to be a McLaren trader. I used to pick a trade, wick entry, take like 50 attempts, and then just show my only one attempt that worked out, and then screenshot my MT5 on a 1 minute time frame, to show that I've had a wick entry, and then get an emoji and cover it up a lot size. Post on Instagram.
Don, you're the fucking most transparent trader that I've come across though in like all the 3 years. But you're the youngest too, which is kind of weird. Like, but it's like everyone has such a high reputation without the transparency, so that's why I low-key feel like you're gonna like grow really fast, you know what I mean?
I was skeptical at first to buy his course, and then I was like, if I have 1,400 in my account, I'm gonna just spend 400 on his course, and without even looking, like that was before I looked, and I looked, and I was like, damn, that's a sign from God, and I was just like, YOLO, and it worked out.
Dude. Let's get marketing. You gonna clip that?
Yeah, look what Carlos just said.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna clip that. What was that? With the hairline also? What are you talking about? Me? What you mean? Oh, I know who you're talking about. Jeez, the McLaren trader, the one and only McLaren trader. That everyone knows. Yo, this is a fact from the chat. Let's go. Yes, a fact representing the chat today. How long you been watching the streams for, by the way?
Like a month.
A month? Damn.
Yeah, so like the first month I started watching, like I'm profitable.
Yeah, but you've been here every day. You were here for the Asian session stream that one day. It was mad funny.
Yo, yeah.
We were roasting you, bro.
You're like, yo, yeah, you hopped out of church today?
This guy's obsessed.
Yeah.
That's fire though.
Sometimes you got to become obsessed with something to make it work, though. So I respect that.
You got
Oh yeah, this shit like relit my passion for real.
Oh yeah.
You love it now, right? You love waking up, just looking at charts and looking for 1 or 2 trades. It's all planned. Yeah.
Hell no.
What'd you say?
Popping out of bed fast as hell.
I be getting on the stream before I brush my teeth.
All
That's
right,
why
bro.
I walk away. Yo, I'm dead ass. I'll wake up at like 6:29. I'll hop on the stream, sit there for like 15 minutes, and then I'll take my mic off and go brush my teeth.
Hi, I love you. Love you too. Peace. Have you made a video on identifying the trade loans? Yeah, I do actually. I don't have many videos. I'm lacking on the YouTube videos, like actual videos on YouTube, because everything's on the live streams. But yeah, I do.
They don't separate them.
They do.
Do they?
Well, I do. You gotta go on playlists, and then FOREX education videos, and then I got these 5 videos there. I think it was this video that I talked about that stuff.
Where he buys above here.
Oh, my mic is chalked here though, guys. So I'm sorry.
Bro.
This is September. It's a nice 20-minute video. It's a free, nice 15-minute video. 4K viewers. I didn't know. If you want to go on Train Us video, we have a 10K viewer video there. Where is it? Right here. 9.2K. This is like my strategy basically. Just simple 12-minute, 18-minute strategy video. But yeah. Is there option paying a group just without paying for the course? Yeah, someone asking that as well the other week. No, not right now. Just because I feel like it just won't be a lot of people pay so they can come in and like talk on a stream, like, and that's all they want to do. I mean, yeah, but then again, like, people want to take over type stuff. They want to take over the stream, you know, and promote their whatever. I mean, I don't have anything wrong with that, but I can't do because it's like I'm the host, you know. I want to be the host. I don't know. I feel like it's just fair if you come onto the Zoom call and talk, you should probably have an idea of how we trade and trade the same way, because if you're gonna come on the street talking about fibs, everyone here is gonna be confused as shit. Because no one trades like that here, right? Which is fine, but it will confuse a lot of people. You know what I mean?
I think you gotta look at it this way, Don. Like when you spend that $500, you're getting a part of a community. So the community is totally worth $500. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't thought too much about it, but it's crazy. I look back, I'm like, wow. It's really hard to find a community that you mess with in FX. I tend to forget because I've always been in the community. I've always had a community for myself, but when starting off, find community, that's difficult. Because I've been in a lot of communities when I first started, and they were toxic, man. They were toxic.
Yeah, I think the issue too is like I've been in a couple, and it's not necessarily like usually you'll vibe with the person who created it, but the people they attracted are just not it. So then, like you said, it gets toxic. So it's kind of, I feel like it's up to the person who's like starting the community to like set the vibes, set the rules and stuff like that, or else the vibe will just get completely messed up.
Yep. Also, another reason, because if you can just pay to get into the Zooms, this Zoom at some given point will be so jam-packed to a point where I never want to do it. I mean, right now it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Nothing's wrong with it right now because everyone knows like kind of when to speak and when to not speak, which is perfect. But at some given point, when it gets too crowded, everyone's gonna speak at the same time, and it's just gonna be, you know, we're not gonna go anywhere with it. But yeah, I mean, right now it's perfectly fine. I hope it stays like this forever. Yeah, Mr. Coffin, a market mover. Market mover called me earlier. He said how like we're gonna range for a bit until we actually get a breakout. He said look out for our closure above and we should be fine. But I don't know, man. Gold's looking decent. Gold's not bad today. Wait, what do you think about GJ Andre? I was gonna ask you earlier.
Yeah, I'm probably looking to have the same idea with you, right? Like sells below 15135 would be the daily break-in, but until then, I'm comfortable taking buys above that range.
Are you comfortable taking buys too?
My bad, I didn't hear you for a second. What'd you say?
Are you comfortable taking buys above that range for the daily bias?
Yeah, maybe I could out. I'll take buys above 151.55, and then if the daily low breaks at 151.35, I'll take those as well.
Yeah.
Is there music playing right now, or am I tripping?
There it is.
Okay.
That was too low.
Okay.
It's loud for me now, but that's fine.
Sacrifice your ears.
My question for you guys is: would you wait for it to break the previous daily low so that the candle would flip, so the bias would flip bullish at 151.300, or would you wait for the current daily low to break and anticipate it to break the previous daily lows? It's about a 6-pip difference.
Wait, you said daily lows, so if this daily low breaks, what are you anticipating?
I would be waiting for the previous daily low to break at 300, but for example, Andre just said 350
Oh.
or 360. So wouldn't you wait the 6 pips to get that extra confirmation?
Yes. I would. Yeah.
It's a good extra confirmation.
Might as well, right? Like 6 pips basically could save yourself the fake out.
Yep.
It's about a 7. It's a big range, so.
Yeah.
No bottom like on this 30-minute. Just opened.
Another streams everyone's be talking about when dude taking trades and so on. Hey man, my number one advice to anyone in here is to just focus on yourself, man, because it took me a while to learn that. I learned that this year. Just focus on yourself, because the more you look at other people, the more you are gonna chase things, because you want what they want or you want what they have, and it's like there's no point of it because you're on your own path, your own lane to your own success. Right? Like I follow people on Instagram who make, I don't know, who pop like 100 lots, 1,000 lots, right? And it's, I mean, you know, it's just not my lane. It's just not like I mean, I eventually will get there in the future, but I'm focused on getting there on my own and not how they got there. I mean, I'm thinking of joining the team next month. Can't wait to get involved. Love the stream. Hey man, appreciate you for being here today, or appreciate you for being here and showing love. 100 lots, yeah. Multiple 100 lots too, like 100. And yeah, one pip will be 10k. No, one pip will be like 100 lots. That'll be around $1,000, right? Yeah, $1,000 I think. Best thing for a new trader is to join a community. If you start trading and come across down right away, well, God bless you.
Oh, literally, God bless you.
What was your first community, Marcos? I mean, you've been with McLaren's for a while, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna name names and hurt someone's rep, but
I've been McLaren's too.
McLaren's literally every time. Actually, I went from McLaren's to like Trader de Institutionals.
McLaren's to Banks.
Yeah, do you know the? Okay, so I went from McLaren's to Banks back to McLaren's.
Always those two.
And then I came to this style of trading. So I went through all three. So I can assure you, I know which one works the best for me.
You know what the number one thing is though about this trading style? It's not just like how simple it is. It's the fact that you won't have any ego with it.
Yep.
You know why? Because you're not guessing, you're not predicting. When you have the McLaren style trading, there's a lot of predicting in it and a lot of guessing because you're trying to predict the next all-time biggest move. Trying to catch the most pips. Whereas this style is more of like, okay, you get in here, you get out there, and that's it. That's all you're looking for, right? And you like this is no ego behind it. That's all that is.
This is the first style where they weren't trying to predict tops and bottoms for one, which never made sense to me. And two, I think you said it like a couple months ago or a month ago. You said the way we trade has the most answers, and you're never asking questions of why. You can answer any question, whereas in other trading styles there's always like questions that can't be answered. And
I hope it gets answered one day, but yeah, you're right, I haven't seen an answer for it yet. It's like, well, okay, what's a fib? There's no true answer for it aside from the fact that it's a fib. It's a PRZ zone. You have the 6128. Yeah. It's like there's no like actual logical answer that makes like sense.
Why is 61.8 better than 78.2 or 38.2? No one has the answer. You know.
It's
and they fill in the gaps. They always fill in the gaps on their losses with stop hunt, market maker. Like those are cop out answers. Whereas with the style that we trade, there's always a logical answer based on price action. Always.
Clip it. Yes, that's true.
Clip it. Poggers.
Vibing the posty. Yeah. Yep. Do you just call our trades? Yes. In the channel, yes. Sharing charts, you can send charts. You can send charts. There you go. Check us out. I got you. Remember that one time that one person trolled us? That's like my biggest fear from now on, bro. This guy put the most like I know what he put on it, but he put some racial slur, and it's like, bro,
I just have a feeling about this chart. I don't know why.
Oh no, we're good. We're good. Whenever it's someone new, I get that feeling. I'm like, please, man, don't troll us, please. Yeah. I'm looking for cells below this level. That's pretty clean. Not bad. I think this line here is not as necessary, but you can use it, to kind of understand like that price is, I guess, going down. But I'll say we're bullish today. The day is bullish, obviously. The day trend is, oh sorry, no, this is the hour. This trend is definitely rangy. I think it's a bullish week though, if I'm not wrong. So if I'm looking for buys, I think buys above like here would be valid for us to continue up, and obviously sells below here would be ideal if you get closure below there. But I'm very skeptical about the sells just because the buys for week is bullish. I'll say wait for next week. This pair is pretty rangy right now. Your GBP. This is a pretty nasty range. Also, put more text on your chart next time. Try to explain why you have these things drawn on your chart.
I've never seen a trend line rectangle.
I did. That's not what you said.
It was like a trend zone.
Yeah, I've seen it before. I think it's just a self-fulfilling prophecy because a lot of people are using it. Sometimes you see it reacts at those levels, but nothing special about the fibs. Yeah, and you see, it's because you see a special reaction to it. It's just because at the end of the day, it's a support and resistance, right? It's similar to what we're kind of doing. It's just that we don't need a fib to kind of identify that, and we're actually waiting for that support to form, for that resistance to break. Whereas people just see the support and they try to anticipate that that's the rejection area for us to continue up. So it takes them more attempts. Long term, waiting will give you a higher probability. For example, like if you draw a fib from like here to here, here to here, I think this is like a what 23.8 or something. Oh, and if you wait for a 38, you would have been fucked. If you wait for a 61, you would have been fucked. You would have missed the move. And it's like, well, if you look left here, all that happened here was that price was creating support. We closed below. Count came up, created resistance. This is now a new range we're in. We got to break up below there. Price continued further down. Looking left, that's clean traffic.
And I can assure you, we would not have missed that move if we were on the charts.
Yeah. That was London. Then opening too, right? Look at the time. Pre-London. Same time we trade New York. Pre-New York.
You catch that Asian move or no?
I didn't trade. I was looking for something, but I didn't. Did I trade? No, I didn't trade. I didn't take any trades. So I think I was looking for buys above this resistance here. This resistance, and this thing was gonna close above. The last like minute, it closed back in the range. I'm like, it's chalked. Look for buys above here or something.
Yeah, my runner hit break even too overnight.
Oh yeah, I saw. Nice. How many pips is that? 10?
Yeah, I got like 11 and then closed half.
Price action breaks zones. Which resistance are you looking for a break on gold for buys to switch buys? My bias for today is bearish, right? So for us to switch bias, I think that will be probably above here. Above here. I'll look for buys above there going on until like this resistance here. 1775 to 1780, about a 50 pip range. I don't like the way the support looks here. It's pretty choppy. Gonna redraw that. Yeah, pretty decent range here. It's not bad. These levels aren't cleanest, I must say. They aren't the cleanest. That's not bad. Which is that chart? Range. Yeah, yo, you guys gotta you guys gotta put more text on your chart. Cause you sent me this chart it's the same thing I was looking at my chart, you know? Like I see that we have the same levels marked up. I always end up closing at 7, 8, 9 pips because price moves too quick. Sometimes anyway I can guarantee 10 pips closures. Yeah, put your TP at the 10 pip closure. Like place your TP there so that when it taps it, you get your full 10 pips. Have you tried using dynamic risk? I know you don't swing out stacking positions. It's not a bad idea. I just don't like the idea of stacking positions. That's just me though. You could do it. What I do though, sometimes, I mean, I enter half risk and then enter another half risk as we break above a range after me anticipating the first entry. I do it sometimes as well. Oh, GG's breaking up here. Can we get a closure above? This guy has no bond wick to it though. 1 hour starter play going up. Ooh, she gets some volume here, guys. Yeah, no bond wick there on opening the account though. What time's the giveaway? It's soon. It's today on the stream. Hey Don, do you always use the same lot size? I asked that question earlier, Jamal. Check this. Go back like I think 15 minutes. I think I asked that question already. What's the song? This song is called "I'm Gonna Be" by Post Malone. There you go. Lot size. I'm actually add that to command as well. Here, I'll do it right now. Actually, lot size. I feel like we're the first to add commands to our trading streams, right? I don't think anyone else has them. Commands, lot size. Don currently uses 10 lot size for GJ and 5 point lot size for gold. There you go. Try it now. Try exclamation point lot size now. It should work out. Listen to Lil Durk. Yeah, but I'm not too big of a fan here. Yo, guys, this 15-minute close above the range here. I see it. 30-minute close above the range as well. I'm gonna stay out of this position because this candle here has no bottom wick to it when it closed. And you guys know what that means. This is something that I've been looking at for the past 3 months here, and I'm not comfortable being in this position here. If I were to take a buy, I mean, it did break above the range. Technically, it should go up, but the probability of it going up this time is a lot lower because there's no bottom wick to that candle. That is what you want, but careful. I'm gonna hope for a 1 hour closure around where it's at, maybe like a week 15-minute like bearish closure, and then 15-minute salary play on the new 1 hour. Yeah, the new 1 hour candle. Yeah, that'd be better because that'll be a whole different candle. What's the starter play though on the 1 hour time frame? No, it'd be I was hoping for like a bearish 15-minute closure and then a 1 hour 15-minute salary play. Oh, the new 1 hour. That'd be better, yeah. As Andre would say, you're really optimistic. Like this, right? But as I would counter, you only trade when it's the move. The move. This is what you want? Yes. I'll call a market maker for you. I got you. as it breaks the highs. As it breaks the highs, say ciao bella. Yeah, you had a 1 hour starter play there. How big are stops for that though? 18 for like 22. It's not bad. Man, why is there no bottom wick here? Wait, where's Nightbot? It's not working? Hello? Lot size.
GJ is about to push, I think. Gold's dropping.
Yes, it looks like we are about to push up towards the resistance there.
You could say ciao bella.
I want to, but I don't.
Everyone in the chat. Oh man, I went down to get some coffee for my wife, and I probably would have entered on that 15-minute bearish closure at resistance on gold. Just gave you 10 pips. That's what I wrote out on my chart earlier. At this resistance, right? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. When your 10 pips stops to break even, your stop loss was like 12 pips. That was a good trade. Yeah, daily is bearish. Last 15. Okay. Yo, what if this hourly candle closes bullish, and then the next New York Open hourly candle breaks the lows for a starter play coming down? I like that. Something like this is probably what you want. Shit, this hourly might just flip right now though. Yeah. 11 minutes. That's a long time. Patience. Actually, get some G fuel in. I mean, pre-market fuel in. Give me like 1 minute. I'll be back.
Yo, Andre,
take over.
Why would you get in on that on gold? Is it because of that bearish candle that broke the lows?
Not a couple different things. So on that chart I sent earlier, I'm bearish on gold for the day just because of the daily, right? This daily has a pretty big wick to fill. And then if you drop down on a smaller time frame, that 30-minute, if you look on the 30-minute, every time we have a bearish closure at resistance at like 1772.13, we always come down to test the lows at support at 1765.
Right.
So I know it doesn't look as good now because he's on the 1 hour, but on the 30-minute, if you're looking, every single time we have a bearish confirmation of closure here, there's a good chance that we're going to come down and test the lows. So it doesn't really necessarily look like this right now, but if I was looking for some type of bearish closure, which we got on the 15-minute, and then the next candle to kind of shoot down like this, and then my entry was right here. So
okay.
yeah, but that's only because of the 5 other confluences. I wouldn't normally just take a 15-minute sell at a bearish confirmation unless the daily is in confluence with it, unless I'm only looking for sells. Everything kind of has to line up for it.
Okay, cool.
Stop loss on that trade as well was like 12 pips for gold. This is pretty nice. Normally I'm taking like 20 pip stop losses.
You love those negative RRs.
Exactly.
You love that 20 pip stop for 10 pip gain.
Exactly. That's right. It makes me thousands of dollars though, right?
You're a sniper. That's all that matters.
It looks like Don told the future again on DJ.
Yep. The market maker heard me. I wanted to close bullish though. It's coming back in the range. I don't want it to close back in the range, otherwise that's no trade.
I'm back.
It's pushing down really big.
I'm back. What did I miss?
Your market maker screwed me over.
What happened?
It's closing back in the range.
15-minute no bottom wick, right? 15-minute no bottom wick, guys. This is why we wait. This is why we always wait.
This man is a candle oracle.
Oracle, I like it.
Yeah. But what does it mean, Sherry Clowns? There's different types of no bottom wicks. The first one, before you call me a clown, right? The first one, respectfully. Let's go to this post. Or sorry, let me draw it out. The first one is a bullish candle with no top wick. Indicates there's no range to go up. Same situation if it was bearish. Candle comes down, no bottom wick. Means that there's no range to go down. It becomes a 50-50. Therefore, it means lower probability of it going down. Therefore, we stay out. Doesn't mean you enter. Doesn't mean you take a buy or sell. It means that I stay out. Now, a candle that opens up with no bottom wick. Right? A bullish candle in this situation now. No bottom wick. And it closes. I'm still working in the back. I'm still in the works of this. Been looking at this for 3 months, for the past 3 months. But what I do see happens a lot is that price comes down before it pushes up. And you should see price comes down to give us that bottom wick before it pushes up. So something like this will happen. Right? We'll break the lows and then continue up. I see it happen a lot for the past like 3 months. And everything that I do or say goes off of my own experience. So yeah. Come on, man. Get some sun. Just get some sun, mini taps. Get some sun.
Damn sun, bro.
Get some sun. It's a breakout of 15-minute. We were able to avoid, I think it was like 3 of them this week. 2 of them this week. Even the fake outs. You might be coming from a different stream, man. I don't know. Just get some sun, man. Just relax. I was waiting for you guys to get rid of him. I didn't want to. I mean, I thought you guys were going to do it. So that's why I let him talk for a bit. Happens flash. And guys, the no bottom wick thing, I'm still like it's still in the works. Like it's not like nothing confirmed for me to, in order for me to race. You know, I'm still in the works of it. It's been like 3 months of looking at it, and I feel like for the past 12 times, it's happened like 10 times.
Yo, Don, I've been noticing that happening too. I think I'm gonna DM you a chart because I've been testing it out too.
Yeah.
And I think I found like a highly probable area. I'll just DM you. I'll show you.
The Sun Bear sponsors stream getting too much exposure now. Exposure, no pun intended. Heart rate, yo, I know a stream that this guy puts his heart rate up on the stream. It shows his heart rate, 135 cool. beats. Yeah, so I'm trying to do that too. When I'm in a trade, it shows how fast my heart is beating. Let's see, heart rate for streams. Let me search it up. That's pretty cool. I think it goes off your mic. I think.
Hey guys, Get Level here, and spooky season is upon us, so I'm.
Oh, you wear a watch. It's $35. Yo, you guys down for that? It shows my heart rate on the stream. It shows how like, you know, that's pretty cool, right? Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to get that. Yeah. That's cool. That'd be cool. It shows you guys that I'm not actually a robot and I actually have emotions. Obviously, it wouldn't affect my trades though, but. XQC hit 180. Yeah, I got it from XQC. He does it. I'm gonna add exclamation point broker to my thing as well. Exclamation point broker. Currently. Broker. Using. Can't find it.
Someone said heart rate confluence.
if it's not over 200 beats per minute, then it ain't a proper trade.
Yeah.
Edit video. How do I even do this? TrueFX. Give me a second, guys. Let me just add my broker to the thing. GJ closes in what? 3 minutes here? We have time. New bro, there you go. Found it. Okay, copy this. Here you go. Commands. There you go. All right, so if you guys know what my broker is, it's now up. It should be up on the command thing. Let's put exclamation point broker. Guys, so I think the 15 here in this situation is gonna close. It closed above. 30 minute didn't close above yet, and the 1 hour hasn't closed above yet. Preferably, a 30 minute closure above is what you want. And obviously, if the 15 comes down, breaks that below, and then comes back up later, probably pretty valid. But you have a minute left in this candle closure. Gold's also closing bullish as well. Came down, break the lows, however. How many pips does that drop? 30 pips? 25? It's not bad. DP, I'm gonna add that right now to command thing too. Sun. Just relax. Get some sun.
You're adding that to Nightbot commands?
Yeah. So it'll pop up. So whenever someone like spams the chat with some like, you know, they're mad or angry, I'll just put extra sun. Just relax, get some sun and fresh air.
Love it, bro.
Peace and love.
I was joking when I said it, but I had some seriousness to it behind it as well. So it's perfect.
Yeah, it's true though. A lot of people get stressed, you know, who knows what they're going through. I mean, who knows, but just get some sun and just relax, you know. There you go. Just add it. I just triggered even more. Well, lower spreads. If you can, try Vantage FX. I'm not with them anymore because they don't accept Canadian clients. But if your country allows them, go ahead, try it. It's a very good broker. Probably my favorite broker of all time. And I'm not even like anything with them. I'm not thing with them. I'm not what do you call it? Sponsor or anything with them. I never was. They're just generally like one of the best brokers I've been through. Excellent point. How long does it take to become profitable? Okay, that's a push, man. That's a push. Yo, Andre, Dawson's go wick fill, 1 hour wick fill or 30-minute wick fill.
I was thinking about it. I just was looking for a little bit of a steeper wick on that 30-minute candle, but if that's it, then it's gonna push. Stops on the 30-minute candle were like 17, 18 pips, not bad. Hourly closed weak bullish above that little support right there. It's the only thing that is kind of right. This push down could just be the bottom wick for this hourly to flip bullish. Yes, that as well. I think the better move was that 15-minute closure. Just like stops for like 12 pips. Range coming down was like 30 some odd pips. That was my trade. Did you get in here or you just looking?
I didn't get in. No, I'm just looking. I'm looking. I can't focus on GJ, but there's the bottom wick. Let's see what happens now. 1 hour has no top wick. If the 1 hour flips bullish now before breaking the lows, high chance we may continue up to the top of the range, right? Look at the hourly. No top wick to the opening.
Kind of like the opposite of gold. Like what I was saying on gold. It's just you're bullish on GJ for the day still. We have a good, strong confirmation of a bullish confirmation at support. Come test the highs.
The advantage of crypto. I think they added. I'm not sure. I forgot. When I was looking, they didn't. But I think they added it recently, if I'm not wrong. What's the average spread? 0.4 pips for GJ. 0.4 pips. Tiny. We got 209 viewers. What's going on, guys? What's going on, chat? Why do Fridays you have the most viewers? Isn't it Fridays the day when no one trades? Because it's a thing day. Ice markets is good if you're in UK. Yeah, ice markets like Vantage FX. I would recommend them too. They're pretty cool. You step in any brokers that accept 8 max deposits? Isn't that like a credit card? Can't you just use debit and credit? I think all brokers accept debit and credit, or most brokers accept debit and credit. Trades taken. No trades taken yet. You guys think the giveaway 8:30 or what?
Yes, sir.
Speaking about that giveaway, I need to make the fucking
the spinny wheel.
Andre,
there's no way I can do it. You know I'm not. Technologically, there's no way.
I'll do it. I forgot. Andre, guys, he's like a bot when it comes to the stuff, man. He's a walking bot when it comes to technology.
Straight up.
I think me working out yesterday was so funny.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Might take like 5 minutes or what. I'll do it. Hold on, is there a wait? For likes on Pulse for wake up every day. I'll do it manually. It's fine. I should have done this earlier, actually. I'm lacking. Short facts are not efficient about Wickfield and range. How the read count is awesome. Thank you. No worries, man. Hope you're enjoying it. Hope you gain some value out of it.
What was it?
How do you answer the giveaway? Check the description. Whose mic is that in the background? Hello? Oh, it's gone. You guys think when Netflix bullish? I'm looking. See, the thing about these buys here is that even if you do enter buys, there's like a resistance right here on the 1530. I'll say I'll wait for a 30-minute closure above here. That's probably what I want. A 30-minute closure above 151.550. Entering buys here will be kind of risky because we're just in the range though. It looks pretty chalked.
That gold 30-minute wick fill played out.
Yep.
He stops at break even at this point.
Gold played out pretty well. 1 hour start play about to happen soon. With the break of those lows, you're looking at another like 15 pips to go down below that range. It's not bad.
4 hour at this point, it's reflipping bearish and coming back down.
That's a nice sell on gold. Christian, bro, keep the good work. Thanks for being here today. I appreciate you for being here a lot. Did many traps make a new account? I think he made a new account. I have a question on GDR. I have a fake on 15. Do you consider resistance or fake on 15-minute or consider 30-minute resistance? This situation, I'll consider a 15-minute fake out, but the reason why I stayed out in the first place was because there's no bond wick to this 30-minute candle here when it opened up. And again, I never enter off those positions. If I had a bond wick, I would have entered. But yeah, we came down to break that lower wick now, and now the 1 hour is respecting the lows, flipping bullish. So high chance we can continue up now. So if that's the case, then you can actually anticipate buys as you break above here. So I'll stay away for 22 minutes here for a closure, and then you can look for buys going up to fill the range, about a 22 pip range here. Not bad at all. Don't call fix every stream now. Hey, that fake out yesterday was pretty solid, guys. We even drew the fake out. Not only did we avoid it, but we drew it out. Yeah, raw ACN is usually the one that has better spreads. Raw ACN is what you want as if you're a scalper. The standard one is probably what you want if you're a swing trader, because spreads don't matter to you. There's no point of having a 1 pip spread if you're a swing trader. You're catching hundreds of pips. Whereas if you're scalping and your spread's 5 pips, you might be chalked. Especially if you trade the way we do. Caught this go trade. What do you think about my analysis? Was it correct? Let me take a look real quick. I got you. Resistance created, fake out, clean traffic go down. So what'd you catch? Sells there in this situation? You caught the fake out for go down. That's pretty clean. I wouldn't consider it a fake out just because the resistance is, I'll say it's up here, right? Because you have this right here. So I'll draw it right there. I'll say we just respect the resistance. We close bearish, and then you can anticipate price to drive down for the range. Yeah, I like that. I like that idea. Pretty good, solid trade. Yeah. Now we're breaking the 1 hour lows. Price should continue down here for the rest of the range. She's just pushing up here. Uh-oh, look at that. Bond wick created. Now we're pushing up. 1 hour wick fill. Ooh, looking sweet. Potentially. I gotta make this thing, guys. Give me like a minute. You can take over, Andre, if you want. Or someone. Just answer questions in the chat, I guess. Giveaway. 133 people, man. Fuck.
133.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
All right, man. Here we go.
Patrick, you only got 1 entry. If you're watching this, Patrick.
Yeah, Patrick.
You just have 1.
Wait.
What is controller's name? His name is Don. Don Bo.
I'm Bo. My name is Don.
Explain raw ECM, please.
I got you. Oh my god. I could copy and paste it.
He's lit.
Guys, you don't gotta wait 10 minutes. I can just copy and paste it. That's pretty cool. Okay. Then I gotta do the rest. Copy this. Wow. Hack. Frankles, yeah. There you go. Paste that. Oh my god. I'm done. That's it. These are okay. Now I gotta copy and paste onto a wheel, and then we can get the giveaway going. Perfect. Wheel names.
Brody, why are you mad at gold? Byron, my swole brother, what's poppin'? I gotta get these headphones.
Oh yeah, put them on display, Andre. Are you guys ready for the giveaway? There it is. Those are your headsets.
Okay.
Yeah, just imagine if who's there? Who's the guy who put like 1,000 entries? No, 1,000 entries.
Patrick,
imagine he wins. Jizz. Delete that. Delete that.
Brody's in it. I'm rooting for Brody
To win again?
Yeah.
He's the one that technically started it. So I mean, big ups to him. Without him, we wouldn't have done it. Guys, I'm looking for more giveaways in the future as well. So like, if you don't win this giveaway, there's nothing to worry about. I'm looking forward to do a Christmas giveaway as well this year. Call me Nick Merckx, MFam.
I just spilled coffee.
Marcus, have you ever seen Nick Merckx's giveaways?
No, why? What do they do?
Huge giveaways. Like he does massive like $1,000 giveaways. Like hundreds of thousands of anything. Crazy. We'll get there. I'm almost done, guys. Then delete this and we should get started.
Yo, Andre, so you're waiting for a closure to pop out that range, right?
You talking about on gold?
No, on GJ.
GJ by above you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yo,
Yep,
15 minute start play. How do you guys feel?
That's what I'm looking
That's
at. Right
pretty
now.
clean. Yeah, I'm looking at that as well.
Stops are gonna be 20 pips.
It's about a 20 pip target.
If the 15 closes here, we might get a whop.
825 pip target.
800.
800.
I just enter on Instagram. A lot of late entries here, guys.
FOMO entries.
Late entries for the giveaway?
Yeah, a lot of FOMO
I already locked it in.
entries.
If you enter right now, you can't. I already locked it in.
If you enter right now, you're gonna get stopped out right away.
Market manipulated you. Yeah, guys, I already made the list, man. You guys can't enter no more.
333 viewers. That's good luck.
333. Wow.
It's good luck. Angel numbers, baby.
15's gonna close right here, and 15 close here. Close below resistance. I think the next one you can wait for is 30-minute candle closure. That's in 15 minutes. Once you get that 30-minute closure, it should be solid to continue up. Please consider a giveaway for the girls. What do you mean? It's the headsets for everyone. Everyone got, you know.
Nah, my wife's not gonna let me send it to a girl. Sorry.
She entered the giveaway, I think.
Yeah, she did.
Imagine she wins, bro.
We were talking about this morning. I woke up. She's like, imagine if I win the giveaway. I was like, I can't give it to you.
Yeah, that was so. What was your biggest loss in FX? I don't remember my biggest loss. I do remember my biggest loss. Probably like 3-4K or something on one trade. But it's different though. When I lost 3-4K, it was when I had when I first started off. Now if I lose 3-4K, that's just like a percentage of my account. Or a couple percentages of my account, right? So it changes over time. I can tell you my worst loss. My worst loss is when I traded news. You guys know the story by now. Or at least the OGs know here. I traded news, I think it was AUD news, and I got stopped out and my account went into the negatives within like 5 seconds. I actually have a video of it that I'm gonna show you guys one day. But that's for later. I was about to say everyone got ears. Yeah, I was, but you know, not, you know. Yeah, mods. I'm gonna try to figure out this weekend if you guys could control like auto commands and stuff. So I'm gonna be dismissing a lot of mods, the ones that aren't active, and just keep like the regular 4 or 5 of you that are actually active every day. We'll enter if I see some struggle pushing up. Target. Oh, so you're looking for McLaren trade here. I think, man, what you can do in this situation on GJ is you should wait for that resistance to actually form. Because again, the daily bias is bullish. The weekly is bullish. I think for us to actually continue up or continue back down, you need us to at least continue up first, like this. Come up, create resistance, and then close bearish at resistance to continue down. I'm very skeptical about this just because the bias for my day and week is bullish. The trend is bullish, right? But this is what you want, right? But preferably I wait for a closure here, not just enter off of a random McLaren entry here, right? That's probably what you want. I'm very skeptical about that because we'll enter if I see some struggle pushing up. Is a lot of emotional thinking. There's nothing like technical about it. It's just a lot of like emotional thinking that could change over time. It just doesn't make sense, right? So you want to see things that should reject and then take your positions. Gold came down for the range. When I started play, it was, I think we put that in trades called gold sells. Yeah, 21 pips for like 26 pips. 1 hour started play there on gold.
I don't know why, but for some reason, like taking positions inside of a range like that kind of makes me uncomfortable. Maybe it's something with my psychology or something.
Yeah, I don't think it's your psychology. I think it makes sense. It's not trading a range, but I think it gets to a point where you kind of understand which ranges are tradable versus which ranges aren't tradable. Like this range is tradable just because there's a lot of this volume during this time in range, right? Whereas if you have a range that looks like this is where it gets untradable. Like you see it though, like this. This is just pure choppiness.
Yeah.
Man, it takes some time though to really get used to those things.
You said you've been trading for like 3 years, right? So you've probably had a lot of, like, I don't know, for me, like when I went through the beginning education, a lot of times they tell you like you always have to wait for the breakout, but no one wants to teach you how to, like, if it's a rangy day or even a rangy week, like, are you okay with not taking any trades that week, or do you want to learn how to trade in a range? I feel like we, especially Don, like knows how to trade in a range and knows when to trade in a range, you know?
Yeah, that's, I want to learn. Like the other mentor I had, he had us trading like all 28 pairs because we could only trade in like certain conditions. And then I'd watch like people just trade strictly 1 pair, and I'm like, how the fuck are they doing that? Like, it's like,
man, I switched to 1 pair this month. It's my best month ever, my whole life.
Yeah.
Everyone's different. Man. Everyone's different. But 28 pairs, I don't know about all that. What do you think, Don? What do you think about 28 pairs?
28 pairs?
Let's trade all 28.
I think it's just a setup for overtrading.
Yeah.
Like automatically set up for stuff for overtrading off the rip.
Because if you have a setup that you trade, right, like a specific, your favorite setup, and it shows up 5 times, it shows on 5 different pairs at once, are you going to take all 5 trades?
Yeah.
How do you pick which one's better?
Exactly.
What he'll it's like they try to get us to like currency strength. Like if 1 pair is more bullish than another pair, then they try to like pair it with like a pair that's really weak. You know what I'm saying? Like, it makes sense in theory, but it just complicates things whenever there's guys who are just trading 1 pair. I'm just like, I'd rather do that. And plus currency strength, that's just really like a lagging indicator anyways.
Yep.
There you go.
Like, it's too much randomness, too much predicting in those situations. And I hate when you predict and randomness in FX. This just doesn't make any sense. Too much emotional thinking in those situations. Because like you're able to see if the yen's strong, you're able to see if the pound's strong, you're able to see if the dollar's strong or weak today. Like you're able to see these things. You don't need like an indicator to figure out what the trend is or what direction the index will go that day. Like right now, I see the pound's weak because we've been dropping down today. So if you go on like the currency meter, it's gonna show that the pound's gonna be weak probably. Right? Like pound's weak. Like you're able to see it, right?
Right.
Like it's not, it's nothing like complex.
See, like, go click back on the currency meter.
Yeah.
What he'll do is he'll be like, okay, see how euro is weak. We're gonna trade euro JPY today because euro is weak and JPY is strong. So there's a high chance that it's gonna go down. And then we'll just like, and then every other day it switches. Like all these things just switch all the time
until it goes up, and then the indicator is going to tell you it's the other way around.
Got one response, just price action. You don't need any indicators. You need any gurus.
Huh?
Go ahead, Don. Don, you're about to.
I'm about
stall
to
it out,
snap.
everybody.
I'm joking, nah.
Say it the way it's supposed to be said, Don.
No, you said it right. You said it right. But yeah, it's the same as any other indicator out there. There's no need for an indicator when you're just gonna be able to see these things happen. I can give you guys 1,000 examples of how all these indicators are just supporting resistance. I guarantee if I put an EMA of my chart here, it's gonna look something like this. Why? Because resistance here, right? If you put the pivot points, it's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be like boom, 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 right? And it's all like pure support and resistance levels. That's all that is. And the difference about indicators and actually seeing it and on the charts is price action, you're able to see it happen and you don't have to guess. Whereas indicators, you're just guessing all the time, guessing, and you don't have a full back, I guess you can say full background of what it actually means, and as to why it's doing what it's doing. I wanted to give away 8:30. Do it 8:30.
Yeah. In like 6 minutes. I gotta leave at like 9:15. I got a full day of clients.
Full day of clients on.
Fridays.
Hey Andre, tell them about your great accomplishment so far. How you fucking, I mean, if you're comfortable doing it, but how you're able, how much you made on FX, or what you're gonna do with the money in FX at least this month.
Yeah, this month I'm paying my rent at my place
for the first time.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So all my Prime Form Fitness money is chilling.
Yeah.
Right.
That's fucking goals.
Yeah. That's goals right there.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
I've just been training for 7 months.
Yeah, facts. W spam in the chat. What?
Bro, 7 months?
7 months.
Jealous as fuck.
Honestly, man, a lot of it has come from a lot of hard times though, right? Like it's not easy. It's just like all about consistency. Someone like just like 5 seconds ago was like, oh, king of gold. Like, yo, I'm no king of gold, bro. I've been clapped many times by gold. I'm still learning, right? Like Don's my mentor. I still ask him questions on a regular basis. I still pick his brain on stuff, but at the end of the day, it just shows that like consistency is key. Like if you're not consistent, if you don't do the same thing, if you let your emotions get the best of you, you're not gonna be able to pay your rent. You're not gonna be able to pay any bill, right? Like you just stay consistent, keep doing what you're doing.
Yep.
When Andre speaks, gold moves.
It's funny, this week has been interesting for me. I've had 4 trades. I've had 1 loss. I've had 3 wins. I've had a total of like 60 plus pips because I had 35 pips yesterday. But, you know, I took a loss on gold for, I don't know, was it down like 26 pips? And the first reaction was to panic and be like, I gotta make it back. But I just stayed calm, just took the same trades that I normally would, and then it paid off because now I'm profitable at the end of the week. I had a good week. I didn't freak out, right? I took a hit on gold this week, but I just stayed consistent, waited for my setups, didn't freak out. I didn't up my lot sizes. I just kept it the same, did what I was supposed to, and then it paid off.
And you did something yesterday that was pretty key too. You close full of your positions instead of leaving you close full so that you can finish the week break even, right?
Yeah. Well, the gold trade put me at break even, and then yesterday's GJ 35 pips put me above. But I could have held that gold trade for FMOC for a minute, but I was just like, you know what? Not gonna be greedy. Let's just close full here, call it a day, move on.
And that's very key. People always ask, how do you become consistent, how do you become profitable? And it's those moments right there, those small moments right there, when you're just able to make that adjustment in your head, telling yourself that it's okay for you to get, Thursday break even or Thursday with a loss, and just doing the same thing tomorrow again, repeating the same steps. It's those small things right there is what changes you as a trader. Not cashing these 100 pips or 200 pips in a day, Yeah, congrats though. For sure.
100%.
Oh,
100%.
that penthouse is stuff to pay for, man. That Miami penthouse.
That's the thing too, is like, you know, you got to set, I've always believed that when you set high goals for yourself or high standards for yourself, like, I don't know, some people know I live in a penthouse. Yeah, but I have to pay for it, right? So I have to high standards of, you know, training as many clients as I can. I'm working hard in Forex. Like, I got my side hustles. Don knows all my side hustles. Like, you guys would probably laugh to know like what I do, but
this guy's a hustler.
Yeah.
He's like another version of me.
Exactly.
And I look up to Andre as much as, you know,
as much as I look up to Don, he looks up to me, right? It's like that sense of camaraderie with both of us. It's funny.
Yeah. Surround yourself around good people and good things will happen. What they say.
It's impossible to make back 1.4 million in losses. Sir,
You
should probably quit.
No.
Sir, switch. You find a new career.
Gotta be trolling. There's no shot. Okay, is that 100 people? Let me check. 130? I gotta copy all this. Please tell me I didn't do this wrong, man. Please. I don't want to restart this whole thing again. Okay, 145 entries. There you go. Let's go. You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Guys ready? Chat? I haven't read chat in so long. Where you guys at? How much people we have? 340 people? Nice.
Can we put on like a poppin' like drift song or something? I'm trying to get hyped.
Yeah. We could. I got one, maybe. Hold on. Drift song? You want the drift song? I want like an actual song that I know I can play. Want some Drake? Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what to play, man. Want the drift song?
Yeah. Drift's cool. Always gets me hyped up. Okay.
Why the hell my name ain't there? Because you gotta follow the instructions in the post to win the giveaway. It's 140 people. Some of you guys are asking to join right now. You guys gotta enter the giveaway before, you had a week to enter. What should I do for this?
How long for the spin, you're saying?
Yeah, I want to do a long spin. Oh, no. This ain't the spin. This ain't the spin. Wait, what?
Yo, what's retail on the headphones?
330.
Nice.
You were a gamer.
I was clapping people, bro. I was clapping people.
You playing COD?
Yeah.
Like Warzone, or you play like COD?
No, I played Modern Warfare.
Hell yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
That man can hear colors with those headphones.
Nice, bro, they're fire. They're fire. They're super nice. Someone's gonna really enjoy them. And I'm glad to give them away. Hey.
What type of music is this? Punk. Have only 104 people? Because this is whoever entered the giveaway. Guys, it was one post that you had to follow, and it was this post. 136 people. Alright, I'm spinning. Customize, no sound. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Primo market fuels in that bitch.
Yeah, free market fuels in there.
This is not cap. This is real life. We're giving away a pair of Astro 850s. And this isn't the last giveaway as well. Don's got something cooking for you guys.
Who could it be? I don't know any of these people.
Antonio?
Any of these people.
Scotty? No, it's Hefe.
Oh, VJ Rao? I know him.
No.
Yisro?
Oh, hold on.
Nah, Heather got that.
No, it's Bill. It's Bob. It's Bob. It's gonna be Bob. It's gonna be Bob. It's gonna be Bob. It's gonna be Bob.
It's Heather.
It's gonna be Bob.
Bob. Okay.
Yo, what's this music though? What the fuck was that? Jeez.
Yo, GG's in the chat.
GG's in the chat. Hey. Build it, Bob. Bob the Builder in the chat. Is he in the chat? Is he in the chat?
Bro, my
You
heart
have-
is beating fast.
You have 1 minute to claim it. You have 1 minute to message me on Instagram. Message my Control FX Instagram. You have about 1 minute starting now.
Uh-oh.
I'm refreshing my Instagram page for DMs. You gotta message me on Instagram, Bob.
I'm Bob if he's not here. My name is Jeff.
Bob, if you didn't show up today.
Yo, you know that guy who earlier he messaged me on Instagram? He's like, one way doesn't mean shit looking for buys. It's obviously a high risk trade because of break under 15. Like,
Oh my god.
you went that far?
Get some sun, bro.
Daily
Get some
GJ
sun.
about to break lows.
Like,
Okay.
It hasn't broken him yet though. Oh, it just broke him.
Okay.
Smell you later.
Bob. Oh, and Bob's dad. That's not you,
Ciao,
man.
Bella.
Oh, he messaged me. He got it. He got it.
Where you from?
He got no followers, 9 following.
Is he a bot or what?
It's an account. I mean, give it to him. It's his account, right? I mean,
He got it. Yeah, he got it.
you
He
gotta
got
have
it.
an address for us to send it to. So, yeah, you got it.
Damn. Bye-bye, GJ.
What should you going?
Gone.
Oh wow! Well, now I broke the lows.
Ooh.
Daily broke lows. Everything
Yep.
broke lows. 1 hour salary play.
Yep, they broke lows. Could we get closure here? Probably
shot.
not. Yeah, probably not.
Stops would be insane.
Let's see. Let's say we're approaching the 151.032 mark now. They broke the lows. Guys, I didn't enter any trades today. Wait, was that actually Bob though? Hold on. Bob, build it bob.tj. Build it bob.tj. Build it bob.tj. Yeah, that was the right one.
This is 4 hours.
Yeah, let's say price is driving down here. Man, you had the 1 hour start play there. I honestly wouldn't have entered. I would have waited for a closure right away. I don't think I would have gotten here. I mean, if I wanted to.
Yeah.
It wasn't with what I wanted. You said it's a chalked trade journal page. That's why? Oh, okay. It makes sense. I got you, man. I'm going to give you a message or... Andre, I'll give you his at and all that stuff.
Yeah. Look at IG Rob World. Okay.
Facts.
Chabella hoodies?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, it's funny. My girlfriend's Italian, and we had dinner with her family, and her nonna said "Ciao Bella" to me, and I like my head snapped, my neck snapped. I was like,
What? What'd you
I was
say?
like, "Ciao what? What?" I was like, "Ciao what?"
That's crazy.
In the real world, I was like, "Oh shit."
Hey, Don, I got a question on GJ.
Yep.
So on this long candle, if it closes back up like near all these other wicks around 151.35, you think that would be a good trade for it to continue going down and fill that wick?
If it closes like right here, pretty much.
Yeah.
And get a wick fill like this on this count, yeah. But we need a closure, right? That's what you said. Closure below the support, yeah, that'll be perfect.
A closure as is definitely.
Yeah,
perfect.
right here would be perfect for us. Stops would be the previous kind of high, which is gonna be this kind of high, and then TP is gonna be down here. Perfect.
I like that retracement.
Don't get FOMO, guys. Always wait for a closure. And we might not even close below. We might just close all the way back up in the range. So it's very crucial to wait for a closure. And if you got it on a 1 hour starter play, you would have been break even anyways. That thing came down 16 pips. You would have closed half, break even, right? So this would hit your break even probably. But how do you feel about the monthly? Someone asked that question over there. Who asked it? How do you feel about the monthly closing on GJ? It might be our first red candle in a few months. Yeah, we're gonna close bearish today. I mean, if that's the case, then right, like, I mean, we are creating resistance. I'll say, we are still closing above this support, this resistance here, right? And this is your next resistance up here. I'll still be bullish, but obviously for the most part, I'll be pretty bearish for the month. I think what I want is I want us to come up to break the highs of that monthly high next month for May, like this. For starter play going up, because overall trend still overall bullish. This is just one bearish candle. But it is gonna close bearish. Yeah, so technically this is a resistance form here. But you have 8 hours left. Let's see how we close there. This will be interesting. If we can close below here, might get some sells, guys. If you stick the 1 hour starter play on GJ, you expect volume to break the support. Yes, you expect volume to break the support after.
And that would be zone 2, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, we're well below zone because zone 1 is up here, London, after zone 2. Yeah, this is like zone 4 or 3 already. So
zone 3.
Wells around the 1 hour starter play look clean. For me, I wanted a closure because the daily lows was like pretty much right there, as it was like 6 pips away. So I anticipate that if we get a closure below, we should be able to break that low as well, the daily lows. So now that we have the daily lows broken, all we need is a closure for us to enter. I was just skeptical about the daily low being right there, but yeah, I mean, now that we broke that, it's fine. You have about 3 minutes for a closure here. Let's see if the streak is alive today or not, man. Our last loss on the stream was the 14th, guys. Are you looking for a 15 closure? I'll answer off the 15 candle. If it closes as is. Stocks are looking like it's gonna be around 23 pips for a TP of like 28 pips, 29 pips. If you look left, this is the first 15-minute count closure below the range. That's closed. With the closure, we still want, yeah, of course. I still want the next candle to have a top wick. So this is what I'll probably want to happen here if we close below. We create a top wick and then we flip bearish like this to continue down to for the range as we're breaking back into this range. If you look at the yes, hear me? Zoom, yes, hear me fine? Okay, for a second, I changed that mic for a second, so it was changed. Sorry, we need a closure below here. I'm tripping. Sorry, that was a 1 hour time frame. We need a closure below here, which is right there. Let's hope it doesn't go down too far though, because if it goes down too far, we won't even get a 1-to-1 trade. And unfortunately, without a 1-to-1, I can't enter.
It's about to come down with the 5-minute celery that just played out.
Oof.
Looks like it's driving now.
Yeah, 5 minutes. If it breaks that.
That candle is huge.
Totally different red I won that giveaway. Yeah. Hey, thanks for doing the giveaway though, guys. We'll have more to come, man. It'll be much bigger ones next time. MacBook, etc. Imagine MacBook giveaway.
Oh, MacBook.
We're giving away Tesla soon, David Dobrik style.
$30 seconds. So if we could close way too below here on the 15, I'll probably wait for a 30-minute closure, because I would hope that the 30-minute will retrace a little bit to give us a nicer entry. And the 30-minute closure will also be the new 1 hour candle closure.
4 hour.
Yeah,
well.
also the 4 hour closure as well. So, I mean, we can't really enter here off this 15. Stops are looking like it's going to be 23 pips for, I mean, 1-to-1. That's not bad, actually. That's actually not bad. Okay, let's see if we get a top wick or not. No top. Okay, let's see. No top wick on this opening. If we can get a top wick being created, that'll be perfect. Here's a top wick being created. If we flip, give us a top wick and then flip back bearish, that'd be perfect. And why do I want a top wick? It's because, yeah, there's a top wick. For those that are asking, it's because when this kind of first opened up, it had no top wick. It had no top wick. Therefore, this can just be a low for price to drop up. And I didn't get an entry yet because that was too small of a wick for me. I would expect it to be a bit bigger, but that might be it. What he could do though is he can enter, break the low, stops the current candle high, testing price to drop down. Damn, that was the top. That was it. I was expecting something like this at least, like something up here for at least a 4 or 5 pip wick before it flips bearish. I didn't get an entry there. What percentage of your account balance do you risk per trade? 1 to 2%. 1%. Damn. That's when we wait for a 30-minute closure. Yeah. Can't really get in.
What's going on here? You're waiting now on this 15-minute. Didn't create a nice top wick for you.
When it kind of opened up, it had no top wick, so we wait for the top wick. But then it created a top wick, but it was like a little
nipple.
And then it flipped. Yeah. So like I didn't really get in. I didn't really trust it. At this point, I might as well wait for a 30.
Agreed.
I'll probably be done for the day because the new 4 hour is gonna flip. I mean, gonna form, and then it'll probably create a top wick. So unless it's like one of those first 15-minute of the 4 hour moves.
Now, if it was an algo day, I would anticipate a lot of impulse sells here with the break the lows here. 5 minutes to play at the same given time, but I'm bringing it for a third closure.
Yeah, I got in that, but I got back out because my price wasn't good enough. It was break even.
Yeah.
But
It's good risk management.
That 4 hour is very clean. If a 4 hour closes below this range here in 12 minutes here, that'd be perfect for us to continue down this new 4 hour.
Yep. Down to 151.
Yeah, 151 is over for 4 here. This is a new 4 hour counter, guys. I'll draw it here. That's it. So we have our bias, we have our setup. We're now waiting for our entry, and we don't have a proper entry yet anywhere. And if I were to get on the flip of the candle, I would have probably been break even here. 100%. This candle here shouldn't flip bullish if it wants to drive down further. If it flips bullish, most likely it's just going to create resistance up here. And I don't want to be in that situation. Because we might just break back into the range, right? Damn, that oatmeal looks good. Show me your oatmeal, bro. Some strawberries in there, some bananas.
Looks a little chalked when it's all mixed together, but before you mix it, looks pretty.
Yeah, you know,
protein in there.
Instagram posts, you know. Are your algo days just based off daily closures? For the most part, yeah. For the most part. Because you're anticipating volume those days as the same thing you would do on the 1530. Like, for example, for whoever who doesn't know what algo day is, just picture this as a daily candle closure. Just picture this on a daily time frame instead of the 15 time frame. So block all this out and pretend it's daily. If this is a daily time frame, or sorry, if this is a 15 time frame, what would you expect here for price to do? Close below, you'll now expect price to continue down like we're expecting, right? So if this is a daily time frame, same concept. I'll consider it an algo day because I'm expecting clean traffic driving price down that day. Therefore, during that day, I'm gonna look for ranges to break going in my direction for price to drop down, and I'll take a lot more impulsive entries than I would normally, or more aggressive entries at least.
Whenever I finally understood that, like when I was taking the course, my life changed.
Algo days, my life changed.
No, like because you basically read like every time frame as if like you treat them all the same. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Like how you block out the 5, 15, and 30.
Mm-hmm.
Like you just read it all the same. I never used to do that.
Because candles are candles. Regardless the pair, the time frame, counts are candles. The higher the time frame, obviously, the more ranges you'll have within that time frame. But at the end of the day, like if a candle breaks below a range, it's breaking below a range. Oh, that is Maho.
She's always silently trolling the stream, ready to snap.
Yeah.
Did your wife watch the stream? Did she watch the stream? Every now and then?
Yeah, no, she does like, I would say like 30% of the time.
Damn.
Yeah.
30%, that's a lot. That's supportive.
Yeah.
I'll clip
You guys
it and
wonder
send that to my
why-
girlfriend. She watched the stream like 4 times, maybe.
Supporting the team, don't lie, do watch. See, okay. She's here. She shows love.
Why in this?
25 likes.
That's it. I think we
With
can
no
hit 200.
trade?
We can hit 200 likes today. Yeah, no trades today too. Yet, at least. Don't lose hope yet, guys. I know you guys are hungry and you guys haven't gotten sun today, but just relax, be patient. That's why he's been so careful with his words. Someone said.
Uh-oh. He's putting him on blast.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
You're about to get your ass whipped.
She's also a Latina, so
Oh fuck. Rob.
your head off.
Junk lad.
cut
The
your-
junk,
yeah.
junk lad to the head.
Yeah. The slipper's coming off and smacking you in the head.
The slipper.
Making sure she gets the shopping money. It's true.
I'll talk about your head.
Oh, okay. I make my own shopping money. Amorcito lindo. She does. My wife does well, guys. That's why you need 2 hustlers. You can't be the only hustler. You need a partner that hustles with you.
Hell yeah, get yourself a sugar mommy like me.
Oh man, I just remember, guys. I gotta get my vaccine tomorrow. I gotta line up in the morning.
Second dose?
No, first one.
Oh.
A lineup, no appointments.
Don't forget to do some arms today, because you ain't doing it tomorrow.
I did yesterday, man. I'm resting today.
Rest? Andre,
Yeah,
really?
I got cardio though. I got cardio.
Andre, really? What kind of cardio?
Bike ride.
A bike ride? Go for a run. What are you doing? I blame Andre. That's a bad review.
there's my only bad review from Marcos.
That's your first bad review. I'm gonna put it on Google.
I like it. I like it.
Get your ass up and go for a 2-mile run.
2-mile run. Dun, dun, dun,
The lines are bad in Ontario for vaccines.
Yeah, man. I'll show you. Is it already private or not? Here, I'll show you.
6ix9ine?
No, 6 Buzz. This is the Toronto's page. Huge. 2 million followers. Get it?
Is that Justin Bieber, bro?
Yeah, it's Justin Bieber.
What
The hell?
What the hell was that?
Why does he look like that?
Yeah, I don't know. He posted this on his page.
He kind of looks like FOREX 9 a little bit, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, kinda. Where is it? There's a huge line, like crazy line. Dude. When was this post created? April 19th. No, it was recently. It was like yesterday or something. Look at this. This is the vaccine line, man.
Driver seatbelt.
Okay. There's only 1,500 a day. Oh no, wait, that's not even it yet.
Yes. Look upon this. It starts from here. That's what we're supposed to start. Why? Why?
Jesus Christ.
Why? What is this?
Holy shit.
What
That's
is this?
ridiculous. Yo, Canada's all kinds of places right now, huh?
This thing's still going.
What the fuck?
Is there a
It's
line in New
still
York?
going.
Wow.
No, they have appointments, I think.
Bro, no line. Walked in.
Probably thought I was done. Well, I'm not done.
Oh, they turds.
Damn.
Bah. Bah.
Oh,
Why
shit.
you come so early? Why these people come so early, man? Huh? Did they think this vaccine is gonna save their life, man? Man, I just wanted to go back to normal life, you know? I just wanted to take it and just let's say keep it
Toronto
pushing,
people,
but
man.
how can I? How can I when there's people like this? What is this? What is this? What is this? You think I'm done? I'm not
It's
done.
still going.
I'm
This
not
is
done.
Toronto, man.
Right now I'm on Beverly Hills Drive. Right? I already went up the chain. Wrapped around.
They said bye.
This is like 9:30 in the morning. I'm not getting. There's no shot I'm getting one tomorrow, bro. I'm going at 6:30.
Wow.
This line's gonna be hella long.
Canada's the Wild West
Wow.
right now, huh?
I wouldn't.
And I could you not? This goes.
The crazy thing is, like, they're gonna have, like, next month they're gonna have appointments. I don't know. I don't think anything. I don't know. Let's see. If I go tomorrow and it's crap, I'm just gonna go home and just if it's too long, I'll wait for the appointments.
This is that's Chick-fil-A on a Monday.
This is people with appointment or just show up. Nah, this is like the hot areas in Toronto where like it's very like they call it hot spots. So for hospitals like this, you gotta go line up until like I think beginning of June, end of May is when you can book appointments. But people want our ASAP, right?
Yo, side note, why is Chick-fil-A popping like that? Like I've actually seen lines
In Toronto.
I've never had Chick-fil-A, but
What?
I've just seen
What?
crazy ass
Oh
lines. Yeah.
my god.
Never.
It's so
Never.
good, bro. It's so good.
Last time I had fast food was like 10 years ago.
Nah, don't classify Chick-fil-A as fast food, all right? Chick-fil-A,
you don't.
Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A it's a work of art.
What were you about to say, Michael?
I said I got a combo for you. You do a spicy chicken sandwich, some mac and cheese, put some buffalo sauce in the mac and cheese,
Hell
put
yeah.
some Chick-fil-A sauce on the buns. That's it.
Andre is
You gotta have a
barf.
cheat day, right? You gotta have a
sounds
cheat day in
fire.
your system.
I go
No
out to, like,
Polynesian
find-
sauce?
He said
No?
I go out to fine dining. Chick-fil-A is fine dining.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A's not
For the
fine
hood.
dining.
Andre needs a bill of a minimum $100 or plus for every meal he eats. This guy drinks. This guy drinks the most organic orange juice ever.
You like wine, Andre?
I like tequila.
You don't like red
drink
wine?
I mean, I drink red wine. I drink like a Cabernet or Merlot or some type of red blend, but I generally just drink tequila, straight, some fine tequila.
Mix some protein in there.
Make some protein in the tequila. Oh my god.
For sure, this guy Andre is 100%. The salt, you know the salt part on a cup. That's the protein part. He just dips it in the protein.
Nice, nice.
His lime? This not no lime, man. His lime is avocado. This guy ain't normal.
Little slice of avocado on the side.
Yeah, bro. Andre, man, I can't wait till I'm like that. But as of right now, man, I'm sorry. I'm not anytime soon. I gotta live while I'm 20. I'm a young age, you know.
Guys, Don is coming to New York. I'm gonna take him out. He's gonna do some fine dining, some drinking.
The city or Rochester?
I'm gonna take videos of the whole thing.
Suburbs. I've been to the city like 3 times.
Everything's gonna be documented.
You guys like sushi?
I love sushi. Yeah.
My girl got me into sushi, and New York City's got some insanely good sushi spots.
Hey, the new 4 kind of opened up here. New 4 hour. What do you guys think?
I don't trust that little nipple top wick.
Yeah, no nipples.
Yeah, I don't trust the no top wick too. I need a steeper top wick here. If you can get that.
I want it to come up to at least like resistance, close, you know. Looks like it's about to fly though.
Something like this.
Exactly.
If you get that and then add resistance, you look for closure to continue back down.
Even that on like the 15-minute and then like a 9:30 drop.
Yeah. 9:15, 9:30 drop for us to continue down. This is probably what you want here. Perfect.
That's probably my only setup that I would take for today. It's Friday. It's the end of the month. I'm having a good weekend, you know.
Yep.
I don't want to ruin my month. One loss, by the way. No flex. Thanks to Don, the king.
When Michael speaks, everyone listens. Yeah, when Michael speaks, I gotta turn off the music. Let him speak alone.
Yo, Mike, is that a Snuggie? Where'd you go, bro? You got the Harry Potter cloak on.
This might be a war.
Sir. Got a 6-mile run today, boys. I'm gonna lose my mind. It's a mental battle.
Were you in the army?
Yeah, but that's not why. I'm just doing it to punish myself for no reason.
Hoorah.
Here comes the drops. Here comes the drop. I guess that was a 4-hour high.
Yeah,
Yes, it's 4-hour high.
Man. That's wild.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh my. Oh, I'm turning off the stream. Oh, goodbye.
Here goes.
We go to the. You need to leave.
Wow.
What a lot of people are experiencing right now is you guys are going to be experiencing type 2 FOMO. All right. Type 2 FOMO is when you can see the move happen, but you just don't have an entry for it because there's nowhere you can enter off of. That makes logical sense. That's type 2 FOMO.
Hurt, bro.
Yes, you're doing type 2 FOMO right now. You're doing type 2 FOMO, not type 1, type 2. Type 1 FOMO is if you enter right now. So that's type 1.
I got a question for you.
Yo.
Do you have any FOMO right now?
No, I'm a robot.
None. Literally none.
No.
Nothing. I'm not gonna lie, I got no FOMO as well. Just because there's no entry.
There's nothing.
Next time the 4-hour opens up and has a nipple wick and you take the entry and stops you, you're gonna feel even more sick than you feel right now.
Way more sick. You're probably gonna puke.
Yeah.
All over your laptop.
Yeah.
Like, there were entries. I consider 30 minutes an entry, but it's just like I was not comfortable having that as my 4-hour new high. You know what I mean? 30 pip stops as well for a 22 pip target. This doesn't make sense.
I'd be willing to say 80% of the time, the 4 hour is going to make a bigger wick than that.
Yep.
That was a 0.3. That's a what? 0.8 pip. Not even a pip wick.
Yep.
On the 4 hour. How many times does a 4 hour make a less than 1 pip wick? It's got to be less than 80. More than, I mean, 90% of the time. So that's a low probability trade. So that's what Don calls bad profit.
Even if you would have won, it would have been a bad win too.
It's a bad win because then you're developing bad traits, bad habits.
Yep. Because now
it takes time.
You're gonna go into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, thinking that okay, new 4-hour candle top wick. It's such a low percentage in those ones. So
you get flamed.
Yeah.
Yeah, type 2 FOMO. I know exactly what you're talking about, Don. Like
type 2 FOMO.
Trade on gold, news. So it was like an 80 pip candle. I was like, oh, I'm getting me some of that. I bought the top, and that jet retraced all the way to the bottom. I lost like $40 on like a $500 account.
I think that's more of type 1 FOMO. So similar to this, right? You took a sell as it came down like this, right? At the bottom. As it's just pushing down heavy hard. Yeah, that's type 1 FOMO. Type 1 is hard, is difficult to overcome for a lot of traders when you first start.
I'm DMing Don this weekend at least 8 times to make sure he finishes the document.
I finished it. It's up. Do exclamation point commands. I just gotta add more stuff to it.
Let's see.
Exclamation point commands.
I thought it was gonna be exclamation point lingo.
No, commands.
Nightbot slacking. Oh, there it is.
It works, right?
Yeah, it works.
I got to change the colors and stuff though. Let me know. Any suggestions for colors?
I love how you spelled Chabella. Chabella.
Yeah, I'm like, another way we say Ciabella. Ciabella means goodbye, beautiful in Italian. It started when we would say Ciabella in our trades whenever a pair would fly or drop in our direction. Perfect. That's the lingo. I don't know what else to add though.
FOMO, type 1 and type 2.
Okay.
Type 1, type 2 FOMO.
I'll write it down right now. So you said type 1, type 2 FOMO. Yeah. What else?
WAP.
No wicks.
WAP, I don't have a thing for that yet. No wicks I have posted. Yeah, okay, I'll put that. Different type of no wick candles.
Just like no wick.
Yeah.
I feel like there's gotta be a question that everyone asks you.
What do you guys think, chat? What else should I add there? What's the WAP play? The WAP play is something that I still know works. I don't have a thing for it yet, like an actual thing. It's more of a visual idea. It's not really an entry or really a setup. It's more of an idea for a potential entry and setup. Things here get a bit complex here, but if you've been watching this for a month or two, you're solid, man. You're solid. Just show up every day. Chalked? You're right. Chalked. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's true.
What else should we add? Nipple wick? Nah, we don't really like.
That's
not really like, yeah, it's not really a thing.
It's self-explanatory.
What else do you guys have questions about? Lot size? I have that already. That's not really a thing. I think that's it, right? Yeah.
Exclamation point Andre. And you just link his Instagram.
Hey, if you guys come to the streams here, you guys get the FOMO vaccine from us. Therapy.
FOMO vaccine.
FOMO vaccine on the streams. Giving it out every week, every day, every week for free. Just show up for 1 hour.
Alexandro Bello, my boy, what's poppin'? Where you been?
Alexander Bello, what up? This guy got moderator and left. I was gonna actually boot you as a moderator, man. Where have you been?
I don't even know who you are.
He's been here for a while, but like he's busy, I think, or something. Hey, but guys, you see how we didn't get one single trade today? Yes, yeah, we didn't get one single trade today. It's okay. Some of you guys might be saying, well, there are so many entries could have entered off of, right? And here's the thing. I may not get an entry today, but this is what I did all April. I waited for my setups that I'm comfortable taking only. And that's what I'm going to continue to do, right? So if there's no entry today, I'm going to go into Monday looking for the same entries, you know, same setups as I normally would. And same goes for the rest of next week and forever. And that's how you get rid of FOMO.
It's more answers to the question. There's always a reason why we didn't enter.
Yes.
I would love to know the win rate on stream this month. That'd be a good post for you.
You know what? Let's go and calculate that. that's gonna take forever, yo. Let's see. 1 month ago, this is what, March 17.
Just go to the end and then go to the trades taken.
31st, okay. Hello?
Hello. Next one. Or 2 more.
Jeez. Am I slow? Hold on. First of the month. Okay. The first of the month.
Fly back to Ireland for 2 weeks.
We took 23 pips the first day. 97 pips called for gold every this day. Like bread and butter. This is such a clean day. Algor day it was, I think, too. First of the month too, right? So okay. 23.
Is that 2 wins or 1 win? What do you count that as?
One trade. Time frame. Taken. Next day you didn't get any trades. Oh, it doesn't take forever, man. I can't do this right now. Bank holiday. We even treated on bank holiday. No trades taken that day. We back up, join up. This is the day when all banks open up again. If I were to take 20 pips, 30 pips the next exact day. Yeah, April. It's gonna take forever to recalculate, but it's been. I think we took like maybe 3 losses the whole month, maybe on stream. 2 losses.
Yeah. It's up there. It's like 80-90% win rate on stream.
For April, 100%.
And they'll still dislike the stream if you take a loss. Always do. They never fail.
And by the way, guys, I'm calculating trades taken, not trades called. All right, trades taken. Trades called is different.
Bro, if you took trades called and trades taken, you don't even gotta learn how to trade.
How a lot of things going on, bro. Just that I had things going on with my family. Hope y'all didn't hate me for dipping cyclically. Just had to deal with things. Nah, man, it's all good. Hope all is going well. My condolences to you and your family and your friends. It's tough, man. But hey, life goes on still, right? Life still goes on. Why are the topics created? Why don't they just push price directly? You can't really control these things though, right? I'll say 85% of the time top wicks are created on candles. 85% of the times candles have top wicks, therefore that's why I always wait for them. Guys, trading is all probability, man. Everything that I say and do is all based on probability. It's not just based off of emotions. What flavor is that? G Fuel? This is actually pre-market fuel. I'm actually supposed to get a sponsor link today or tomorrow, I think. So, yeah. They're trying to know how much making a day. Yeah, they do. I think I'm hiding it. Imagine. I was actually gonna when I first started. I was gonna because I just didn't want them to ask questions about what it was. Rockstar. Still my favorite song. Oh man, 2 minutes for a closure, guys. I don't think that's the top wick, man. If this is a 30-minute candle that closed with a top wick, I would probably enter a position for a wick fill coming down to fill the range. But this top wick, man, it ain't there. It just ain't there right now. Mm-hmm.
That's a good question, Don. You should answer that one.
Which one?
The newest one.
How long do you think you'll stream every day for? Like, what do you mean? Like every day? How long do I stream for? Or are you talking about like how long, like long term, will I stream for?
I think it means long term.
I mean, every day, probably like the same 2 to 3 hours. I'm looking to do a lot more, but long term, like, until I get kind of bored, but I probably won't. Like, I love streaming. I love talking to chat. I love the community. And
Don's tapped in.
And even if I don't stream for FX, I'll probably still stream for other things as well. I think I'll forever keep this page. Like, I'll forever stream, I think. And as long as I could. I mean, I just love talking to chat. It's the community. It's a vibe.
I see you being like a Nick Merckx of Forex. Like, I think you actually like other streamers like don't like streaming the way you like you're tapped in, like you're into internet. You're like an internet kid, like we are. Like, we like Twitch and stuff, so I think you
cultured
like stream. Yeah, it's cultured.
Cultured.
You like streaming culture, so I think you'll stream forever. Not forever, but you know what I mean. With long term, for a while.
Like Aiden Ross, when he first started streaming, this guy started streaming for 2K, and now he's just streaming for like just because people mess with him and people like him. I mean, that's what streaming is. Because if you're just good at FX and you don't have a personality and you're not cultured, you're eventually gonna like not fall off, but people will, you know, people fuck with you if you're cultured and you have a good personality more than whatever you're good at.
Then you're down to earth, so that helps.
Yeah.
You're mad cute too.
All right, bro.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ!
Yeah,
Fucking boo him, dude. Stream over.
Oh shit, man. Nah, but yeah, I mean, personality is huge, man. Personality is huge. yo, Marcus, you watch Aiden Ross? That's probably fucking why, bro. That's probably why.
That boy is sus.
Yo, he's been doing very well though, man. Like,
bro, he's fucking
over a year from like 3K viewers to like 250K per stream.
Features changed the game, bro. The way he knows everybody.
It's his personality though, you know what I mean? It's his personality. If he stuck to 2K and only 2K, he wouldn't have been as big as he is.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Hey, I'm getting the heart rate monitor for sure though, guys. I'm getting the heart rate monitor on the stream so you guys can see my heart rate when I'm in trades. It's gonna be a thing.
So fun.
That's gonna be so sick.
Cold-blooded.
In fact, I'm gonna get it after with the dumbbells today, Andre. Hey.
Okay.
The dumbbells there.
Are there any Twitch streamers who do that or no?
Yes, XQC.
XQC does that?
I think
nice.
Trainwreck too, but I don't know.
The eye tracker one day?
The eye tracker?
That'd be sick.
That's too much though. It's like, this is always moving. Like, how's that work though? Like, where does that connect to?
I think it's a camera add-on, like a driver.
How's know where your eyes are looking?
It's like a sensor, the same way your phone does.
Okay,
like
I see.
I don't know if you have Face ID on your iPhone, but like if you're not looking at it, sometimes it won't open. Trust me, guys, I don't have FOMO. 180 beats per minute.
Jeez.
Someone said sus FX. That's gonna be my new app.
Sus FX. That's for you, Marcos. I might change your name to Sus FX right now. What time is it? 9:18. We're just vibing out here.
Yeah, we vibing. We haven't had a late stream for a while.
Vibes, man. It's just the vibes. I think last Friday. This is the first Friday in a while where we didn't take a trade. So you really think I'm gonna be Nick Merckx of Forex?
I think so. I think you got the chop. I mean, I've watched every streamer, every single one. So it's not even close. You know what I mean? Like the vibes, the culture, the add-ons. You know, the stream deck. You're like a Twitch streamer, but in Forex.
YouTube.
Facts. Demonetized.
Oh man, but I'm really thinking of doing a lot more than just FX though. Like I was telling the Andre about yesterday, like 2021 is practice, 2022 is already, you know, like imagine just workout streams after the FX streams, like just
hell yeah.
Imagine.
Can be dope.
Yeah. We need
I think
need YouTube to help out. They need to run this platform.
Yes, man. Like I feel like it's gonna come though. You think so? You think they're gonna come up with like a Twitch thing on YouTube?
Absolutely. I know who the guy is that runs it. He's from the COD community. It's Fwiz. And they have a lot of streamers like, you know, Courage, Valkyrie, like a lot of big streamers that will pioneer it. So I think it's coming. I mean, you see how much they've added in the last year.
Yeah, like how much did they pay Courage to be on YouTube? Millions, like.
Yeah, I don't know if it's public.
100 mil, like a 50 mil or something.
Valkyrie even more. Valkyrie pulls like 70,000 viewers sometimes.
That's the girl, right?
Yeah, they're both 100 Thieves owners now.
Yeah, like there's for sure gonna be YouTube thing.
I feel like there's more that you want to do with gaming, Don.
Nah, well, I'm not a gamer. I just want to have like a just vibe out stream, like just chatting, like real IRL stuff, you know, like in real life stuff. I don't really want to go too deep into gaming. Yeah, I'm built different, I guess. Yeah.
Yo, Valkyrie leaked her earnings by accident on stream.
How much is that?
180K in 1 month. From just the stream,
just subs and donations. Yeah,
not even the contract or anything like that.
Yo, imagine one day like these clans like FaZe, Cactus Jack, you know, 100 Thieves start something like FX members and stuff. Like,
bro, that's my goal. That's my future
goal. That's gonna be insane, man. Having a contract with them, with the YouTube.
I want to do that shit. Like, even start one. You know what I mean? Like. I think FX has potential. They got such a bad reputation.
Such a bad reputation. Like
that's always been my biggest. Like,
that's my goal
to the core, bro.
If you ask me what my goal is in FX, that's my goal right there. To change the reputation of FX and just to better the community, man.
Yep.
That's why every time we see RAM shit come in, like spams and people just spamming like weird stuff. Yep. Clowns this, clowns that, else that, like if you just block it out and just move on. I mean, the thing of FX, people feed onto that.
Bro, so. I already got comments on my TikTok saying it.
Yeah.
Like, if the way to make money in Forex is sell a course. I'm like, oh, here we go. I'm like, come on, man.
It's like an insult to people to be like, you tell them how to make money. They'll be like, where's your course?
Well, it's frustrating because there's more people doing that than there are people like us. We're outnumbered.
Yeah.
We gotta fight back.
How come people don't see stocks the same way as FX?
Because stocks have the old people in the suits behind them and Forex doesn't.
Forex like the McLarens.
You don't hear Warren Buffett talking about Forex.
Talks about the dollar index though.
Yeah, but have you heard what they say about day trading? Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, the way they talk about day trading, they frown upon us. They don't like us. They want us to literally die. These 7% a year investors hate us because we can make more than 7% in a day. I go off forever on this shit, bro. I was in business school and I hated it. All the finance kids.
That's all I talk about. Imagine going to business school and talking about FX. They'll clown on you, man. They would just laugh on you.
I lived it, bro. Someone told me once, I don't know if I have it saved anymore. Someone said, I said something about like the dollar, and he goes, yeah, bro, well, when you make more than Goldman Sachs, you come back and talk to me. I was like, bro, are you Goldman Sachs? like what? You want to get a job at Goldman Sachs, like acting like you are Goldman Sachs. Like, bro, come on.
Forex was meta, crypto's new wave. It's always gonna change. It's always gonna change. It's not a swap. It's like a trend. Bullish, bearish. Same thing's gonna happen, right?
It definitely bothers me a little that crypto gets all this good publicity when Forex doesn't.
Same thing, right? Isn't it the same thing?
Forex is stocks compared to crypto in terms of risk.
You know why Forex is such a bad image though? IMO. That's the reason. Number one reason. IMO has drained this industry.
They drained it, bro. They beat us up, spit on our face, spit on my mom, spit on my sister.
Oh my god.
IML killed the community, and it's slowly making its way back now. Slowly.
I think the live streams have helped a lot of people too. Like not even just the hourly, I think a lot of our live streams as well. So I mean, it's good, and there's gonna be a ton of more streamers coming. A ton.
You ever heard of Forex, bro? Nah, I wear a medium.
I make money from my phone.
Tap in.
My phone's an ATM.
Yo, try to make your phone like an ATM. The next 5 people to message me right now, I'll give you guys the path to make the money.
Grant, I see what you're saying, but most day traders lose money no matter what the asset class is. It's not exclusive to FX. You will any day trader trading whatever they want to trade is gonna 90% is gonna lose money. So it's not an FX thing, it's a day trading thing, and that comes with the territory.
Now I think a lot of Forex traders lose because of leverage. I think it's because of emotions and lack of knowledge.
Yep.
I don't like the leverage thing. People that always act like you can use 1 to 1,000 leverage and you're still risking 1%. I have 1 to 30 leverage, bro. I still risk 1%.
You actually have a 1 to 30?
Dead serious.
On Traders Domain?
No, not Traders Domain. I have Traders Domain on 1 to 500.
Yeah, I always have my 1 to 500, but like, I mean, like,
you'll never use it.
What can I risk for 1 to 500? Like 80%?
No,
60%?
It's 50%. Like you're dead ass. You're gonna risk.
Yeah,
you're gonna
never
use
use
a lot, bro.
No, I never use it.
Like you don't need that. That's why leverage is so stupid. People are always like, "What leverage do you use?" Just pick a leverage. Risk 1%. Exclamation point leverage.
Does Forex have the most scammers? Yeah, 100%.
Yes.
100%. Most scammers.
Actually, yeah, crypto.
Well, Bitcoin mining, all that, like mining, all that stuff. I mean, everything has scams. Everything has scams. Reselling clothes has fake stuff.
Yeah, just
like
about to say.
Everything has scams. Like fitness, like you can be a fake guru.
Yeah,
like everything.
10-minute abs. You can get abs in 10 minutes. Yo, you cannot get abs in 10 minutes. Okay.
No caloric deficit.
It's not possible. You can't do it. Just like you can't flip your account in a day and consecutively do that, right? It's the same thing.
Why does Brody's messages keep getting deleted? What are you doing, Brody?
He used the 100 emoji and it got deleted. Why is that?
Oh,
no, he said the old F word.
Oh, I blocked. I mean, I think YouTube did that. That's not me.
Nightbot's sauce.
I mean, he's doing a good job though.
Nah, Nightbot, you're a scammer. I'm canceling Nightbot. Nightbot's canceled.
We focus on traders. How about our traders? Yep.
Who changed Marco's name? Did you do that?
I did that. Yeah. It's funny how like we're not even talking about charts right now. We were, but it's like
it's no trade.
It's a no trade day for me.
There's like nothing. There's no entry. There's not even a scenario that I would enter at this point, and like within the next hour.
Yeah, Don, play Warzone.
Let's play some league play, bro. Come on.
Hey, Warzone. Speaking about Warzone, I got a nice clip the other day. Make sure you guys. Yeah, I showed you guys already, actually.
The one where you threw the Molotov?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one. You're doing a simulation this weekend, right?
Yes. Yo, guys, I'm undefeated in the Gulag.
my ass.
This season.
Oh, okay.
John, you go to college? No, I'm not. I'm a full-time trader right now. I want to go back though at some point. What do you think, Marcos? Back for business? Think it's worth it?
Nope.
That's not. Marcos makes decisions for me. But you went there for how many years? 4 years?
4 years. I got my degree right behind me.
And are you gonna like look for a job with it, or are you gonna like what are your plans?
Trade until I die.
You went to you went to what college?
University of Massachusetts.
Boston. Why not Harvard?
No, not Boston. Boston 1, Harvard not good enough. I'm not good enough. 2, I didn't go to Boston. I went to Amherst, which is like the main UMass. There's a bunch of different UMasses.
I got lost after Boston, so yeah. I'm not from the States, yo. I don't know where you're talking about.
It's just like there's like, so UMass system has like 4 or 5 different UMasses, or 3 or 4 different UMasses, and then the main one is the one I went to. Someone in the chat knows. I know I have a boy from Lowell down there. UMass Lowell. Nah, that place is ass.
Bro, I thought you for a second said I know I have a boyfriend from there. I was about to be like, bro, you are sus as hell today, bro. What is going on, Marcos?
Hey,
let
me rephrase. Business school is not worth it if you are an entrepreneur. You will get, if you spend those 4 years
Gary V
business. Yeah, Gary V. I'm just regurgitating Gary V. You know what I mean? I went because it was free, because I'm in the National Guard. Free. You pay for that shit, don't do it. It's not worth it.
You buy like textbooks and stuff too, or no?
Say again?
Like textbooks, was that paid for?
Yeah, they give you a stipend to pay for your textbooks.
Textbooks are expensive, bro.
Nah, that's a myth.
I went to college for 1 semester or 2, and I paid for like 3 textbooks. Those things are expensive, man.
Right, it's because you're not built different. You got to, unless you're like a doctor or a nurse, though I understand those textbooks are a lot. But for me, I just go online and get the PDF for every single one illegally. I meant legally.
Jesus.
I feel like social media is just so strong now. Like with TikTok and they're just showing you like all these like different, you know, hacks, like school hacks. It's just taking over the actual like, you know, the school system.
Yeah, I'm really passionate about like alternative education. I think the college system is broken. I mean, you know, like the price of college has went up, you know, hundreds of %, and the value of college has not went up hundreds of %. So
you ever think at one point there's these kids are just like the normal for new kids are just to be no college?
I think it's going to be normal for kids to seek other options. I don't think it'll be like normal to not go to college. I think the majority will always think college is better, but I think it's going to be normal one day to do other things like online classes, you know, trades. There's like not a lot.
Well, like not even school, just no education.
I think everyone should seek education after high school, for sure. You definitely need to get educated, but how you go about it, you don't have to pay $100,000. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Aiden Ross, just piggybacking off what you're saying, I don't think it's just the college system that's broken. I think it's the whole school system. Like they don't teach
the right stuff,
how to survive in the world. But then again, why would you in capitalism? Because the more people know how the system works, the less the system works, you know?
Yeah, it's true. What's Canada? Is Canada socialist? I don't know. I might get roasted, but
hey, look what I changed your name to. Enterprise. Actually, don't you got a client, or are you just telling me you're late because you're really enjoying the stream right now?
I'm just listening to you guys talk. I'm just vibing.
Oh, Sarah, you got a good point, but the 30-minute just opened, so I don't know. That's actually a decent sell. That's range like 12.
Look at the 4 hour. 4 hours tapping a support right now. No top wick on the 4 hour. Hey, turn it up.
Andre requested this song. He asked me if we could get copyrighted.
This is me in 2006, bro. I was bumping Gucci Man. Swear to God.
I got a question on GJ.
Yep,
so
what's
you
up?
think a good entry would have been right after this bearish candle right here? I mean, this bullish candle.
30 minutes has no top wick. You think a close below here, you said?
No, like right after this mini bullish candle.
He's talking about the celery play right there on the recent 15.
I wouldn't have entered because this is no top wick there on opening a candle, and also the range to go down after that is like this, right? It's not that great. I'll look for sells below here now. 151. A closure below there.
Okay.
Speaking about closure, you have the NYSE open here. We haven't been here for a while on the stream.
Boys, I'm about to bounce. Fire stream as always.
Yeah, man.
Everyone have a great weekend.
Take care, Andre.
See everybody in the simulator on Sunday if you're there.
Have a good work day, man. Good easy.
Take care. Peace and love.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
Got some YB fans in the chat.
Yeah, I feel a lot of apertures are YB fans. Just aggressive. I feel like they're the ones that have the FOMO too. Imagine MA Youngboy trading. You'd be like, you enter a position aggressive as crazy. NBA Young would be like this. I'm entering a buy right here. Stops is gonna be like right here, and TP is gonna be like right here.
Nasty retracement on GJ. 30-minute no top look. Looks like it's gonna flip and close back in the range. Hopefully. Not that I care.
I think that 4 wick, I still trust that 4 count, no top wick there. I believe this count's gonna retrace here, bounce off that support, and it's gonna create that wick for us. And we're gonna have to look like a doji, just 4 count or something. It's gonna be very choppy. It's gonna happen. Back in the range we go. But regarding next week though, we'll do a quick little analysis here. Next week we're gonna close bullish. And look where we're closing next week, guys. We're gonna close bullish after creating a support here, breaking above this resistance here. So next week's candle will look something like this, bullish. That could be pretty interesting. Wait for next week, I'll say. All that we did today was just go down for a wick. That's all we did today.
Yep, that new monthly bottom wick too. So it might be it could easily be a bearish week.
Yep. I mean, bullish week?
I mean, yeah, but I'm saying it's got to make the bottom wick on the monthly too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, new monthly candle. Yeah. I'm really anticipating a starter play here next month. A monthly starter play.
Bottom wick like 150, 500. Got the little. That's where I would expect like a bottom wick. And then, ciao bella. And that would be nice. Could be a really good week. Little aggro week.
Do you call it a day here? I mean, I'm not looking for a trade. Goals is rangy. GJ sells not gonna happen today probably until like maybe later, but it's gonna be too late. I wouldn't have caught anything today, being realistic, guys. Maybe the 1 hour starter play, but other than that, like there's nothing that I would have caught. Even if I go back in time today and look at these trades here, I wouldn't have attempted any of them.
A lot of no top wicks on the drops.
Yeah. I would try to start playing in 1 minute. No. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I appreciate you guys for being here today. It was a great stream. No trades, but it was great vibes. Hope you guys enjoyed the vibes here. We're back on Monday. I guess the streak continues, right? The winning streak continues for a stream here, so make sure you guys tune in on Monday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. It's been a W month. It's been a great month.
Amazing month.
Like 2-3 losses this month probably on the streams, and all have been very small. So last loss is April 14, right? God bless you guys. Appreciate you guys for being here again. Peace and love, and I'll catch you guys Monday.
Peace and love.
Peace, guys.
All right, bro.
Bitch that'll hold me down. Gang coming strong, yeah, we rolling out. Throw a party like rolling loud.
Don't come unless you send focus, so just like 10-4. Sent your bitch the info. Feeling real blessed with juice, that's my kinfolk.
Bless up, she tell me I'm a god, get on her knees for confession.
Sent the vid to a nigga, had to teach a lesson.
Me and Bo, only one bad hoes in our section.
Juice, why these pussy ass niggas always pressing?
I don't know, let them talk, I'ma go get my Smith & Wesson.
Blessed boys under 21, steady flexing. I'm getting too rich, can't do flights with connections.
40 on my hip, I won't fight, bitch, I'm reckless. Codeine without silk, that shit coming straight from Texas.
Reach for my chain, you'll get beat just like Nexus.
Lamborghini dreams, but you still drive a Lexus.
I'm a young king, I might fuck Alexis, Texas.
But I ain't on no Drake shit, I won't get her pregnant.
Damn young Juice WRLD, boy, you reckless. And I feel you until I get her naked. When I get up in it, I might have to stay in.
Well, if she going like that, let's run a train then.
I think I nutted in her, I might need a playpen and a stroller. How I get this deep, we rode her like a rover.
No games, but I Xbox controller. She do the gang like a nerd doing homework. 40 in my pants, that bitch thought it was a boner. If I go broke, I'ma jug off Motorola. But now I'm up in France, Livo, that's my mans. We get the green and then we fly around like Peter Pan.
That's cool, but I just thought about some weight.
What?
This baby got your face, so fuck that little baby boys. Back to the place, back to the trap, back to the gang.
Running up bands, got my guap. All the bad hoes wanna top us. Too many wild parties on.